Okay. Let's get started. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the live stream of Zibit.com. My name is Yash, and I am going to be your live stream host for the next 4 hours, taking care of every of your doubts, every of your whatever problems, issues you are facing with Zbit or with the trading, or you want to learn something, enhance your skills of trading, anything. I am here for your help. So make sure that you comment on the comment section, like not the YouTube one. YouTube one, see, even if people are having doubts from YouTube, you can comment on YouTube as well, but mostly the main priority goes to the Zbit people who are going live from the Zbit. So if you want to be in that priority, if you want to have that authority, command, and whatever you want to name it, you should shit, shit. Is it changed? Is it changed? Is it changed? Is it changed? Second, 1 second. Is it changed? Yeah, it is changed. What? It's a day 6. And yesterday we had a profit. Yeah, yesterday we had a profit. Not a big one, but yes, a small one. I want to change that profit. Yesterday I earned almost, let me check 1 second again. It was something 5 point something, $5 something I earned. Yesterday, yes, order history. We earned 5.5 USDT. 5.5 USDT we earned. 5.5 USDT, which means in the rate wise what? Okay, 1 second. Just give me one moment. Just give me one moment. One moment. Invested 3 USDT invest 5.5. Yeah, right. 23. Okay. Sorry. Sorry. My bad. Okay. So as we were talking about Zbit. I'm a live stream host at a Zbit. My name is Yash Pawar, and I am going to be taking care of your whole crypto journey, which you need to be sorted out. You want to explain of the regarding explanation regarding what kind of market we look at. You need a market analysis of XYZ coin so that you can know what is the best prediction for all of you people. What can happen in the market in the next moment, or maybe next hour, maybe next day, or even if you want to ask me regarding any long term thing, like what do I see in a long term growth, in a long term thing of XYZ coin, anything you can ask, you can say. Okay, so for those people who don't know regarding Zbit at all, like you are unaware of Zbit, you don't know what Zbit means, don't know where the Zbit is coming from, why there is a live stream, is this an independent channel where a guy is going on the live independently? No, this is not an independent channel. This is a channel which is uh, basically regarding Zbit exchange. Zbit is a crypto exchange platform who takes care of your crypto journey, who wants you to start your crypto journey and achieve a financial freedom by adding a passive source of income, which is basically a trading. See, compared to a lot of other passive source of income, I'm not denying that there are a lot of passive source of income out there. There are, like, you can open your business, you can open your brand, you can open your startup, you can open company. There are so many things. But the very effortless, the most easiest way of earning money has become crypto market. I'm not talking about the other market, I'm not talking about the stock, I'm not talking about indices, I'm not talking about the commodities, but the crypto market has become the one of the best, one of the most easiest, simplest, and the most profitable. See, I'm not saying easiest, simplest in a way that it is very easy to understand the market. Okay, crypto market is a little bit hard to understand because of the volatility it carries, because of the money which flows inside the market, and anything is, and like, most uncertain market is crypto, and most profitable market is also crypto. You have to just figure out that uncertainty part, and you don't have to worry regarding that uncertainty part, because I am here to clear your that uncertainty of the market. I can look at the market, I can teach you how to read the market. Yesterday we discussed regarding how to read a candles, because candles talk about a lot about the market, like what can happen in the market, what kind of movement we can see in the market. Is there going to be a reversal? I told you one very good scenario in the reversal. Like, if you see a very huge rejection from the up top side, then nextly the next candle will be a red candle, which will make the market flow down because sellers are entering the candle. And similarly, if we see a rejection from the bottom side, and a very huge rejection, it's not a small rejection, like when the candle makes longer upper and longer lower wick, that's that moment when the market is trying to showcase you, market is screaming at you like, I am about to change. And which we can observe in a very evident way whenever we see a long rejection from the bottom, as you can see over here. Second pencil, yeah. Can you see long, this is a long upper wick. From there we saw an upper growth, and then this is a long upper rejection, like this is a long upper wick, and then we saw a rejection for the down. It is very easy, it's very easy to find out what can happen the next, and that's all we need to achieve a great amount of profit in the future market. Nothing else. You don't have to do anything in the future market, you just have to predict what can be the next moment, that's all, and you can earn such a huge amount of money from that. Future trading is all about predicting. It's all about prediction of what can happen next. We don't trade in the coins, we don't buy or sell in the future trading. We just trade in the most simplest way. The price, will the price go up or will the price fall down? That's all. Welcome user 966090. Welcome to the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. Thank you so much for coming down here. Really appreciate. And if you have any doubt, anything, please feel free to comment on the comment section and ask and clear your doubts. Okay. This is one of the best feature which Zibit has offered to you. That is a free live stream feature. Most of the platforms have this paid thing, because like, obviously an expert, you are getting advice from expert, he's giving you trades, he's making you understand trading, which is a paid course kind of situations. But hi, hello, yes, hi user 966090, welcome. So that's why I'm telling you, please get a hold, get a understanding of this feature, that this is for you. Your actions will help you achieve a good understanding of the market, good understanding of the profit, how to grab it from the market, because crypto market is all about massive profits, because we see such a huge amount of money comes in the market. Okay, so if you have any doubt, anything, please feel free to ask me. Okay, because this is like, consider me as a tour guide. You are in your crypto journey, wherever you feel anything that you need a knowledge for, you need to gain something, you need a help, ask me. I am here for all of your people, so that I can clear your doubts, I can make you understand, and I can make you achieve a good amount of profit. Okay. And also, I can give, I'm also making a challenge. This is a day 6 of the challenge. Can you see over here? Challenge day 6, in which we are thinking, like, not thinking, we are trying to turn that 10 USDT into 1000 USDT. So you can take a help of that as well. Be like a part of this challenge. Join with me. Take, whenever I give you trade, take a trade with me, because I give you in the live stream only. I'm not like hiding my screen and then taking a trade. Okay, it is happening all in front of you. So whenever I go live, wherever I go live, come on this live stream whenever I give you trade, take that trade and earn the same amount of profit which I'm on. Yesterday, the market was very sideways market, which you can also see. Like complete the whole market was just a sideways, but still in the sideways market, I earned 23.9% of profit from yesterday's trade. I didn't trade in the BTC because in the future, BTC down or up? Tell me. Okay, I will tell you. See, most probably BTC will go down. Most probably, like if I give you in a probability way, 70% BTC is gonna fall down because as we can see, like BTC had a very huge upgrowth after that consolidation, and then this was see. Whenever we see this, this is called consolidation. Like market is going in a sideways is consolidation. Then the manipulation came. This is the manipulation that I can go more above, but then the distribution came, like market grabbed the liquidity and from there it started falling. Now majorly there are two situations. If the market wants to go up again, it will fall down nearly to this kind of level. Okay, this is the level where market can fall down because this is where the liquidity is, like not liquidity is basically, this is where the limit orders are set of the people. So if the market wants to go up again, it will fall first. So answer your question, BTC down or up, I really feel that BTC will fall down to take a major support from the FVG. This is called as FVG, fair value gap. Can you see a gap between three candles? It is called as fair value gap, which is like basically limits order are placed over here. Limit order, like I don't want to enter the market price, I want to enter at my own price. So this user, like this people who invest big, they don't enter at the market price, they create their own thinking, like I want to enter over here. And when the market sees that 100 million 200 million is kept over here, if I come down and then only I can achieve that price, so market will come down to this level and then from here we can have a chance to go up. But trust me on this, that BTC will fall down on some kind of this level. This is, I will draw this level more accurately so that you can understand. Okay, how do we draw a fair value gap? See, we see a gap between first candle. Yeah, 1 second. This is first candle, this is second candle, and this is third candle. Okay, when we see a gap between three candle, which is the second candle, what we do is we make a rectangle on the third candle's low and first candle's high. Now this becomes our fair value gap zone. Fair value gaps are a place where limit orders are placed, and market are always in the need of money, and this is where the money is sitting without getting executed. If I hope you know what limit order means. Limit order is basically that I don't want to enter at market price. They have set their own price, that whenever the market will come to my price zone, then and then only my order will get executed. The money will go inside the market at that time only, when the price, when the market will come to my price. So market, whenever we see, like see, if you give market 10 million 100 million 200 million, which is a normal money for those big people. Okay, so market will need such kind of huge money to liquidate, to run himself. Liquid money is basically liquidity of market. Like same example, a car runs by petrol, right? Market runs by money. So whenever market sees that there is a limit order placed, and there is limit orders of 100 million 200 million 10 million 1 million, market will grab that opportunity to come to this platform and like execute that limit order, take that money into the market, and then from there it can go up again. So the next movement of the BTC is going to be a downward, which will come toward this point. Got it? Okay. And if you feel very hard that I don't know how to put fair value gaps, I really have no understanding of fair value gap, simply come on the indicator side and then type fair value. See, no, not this not this one, FPG. Just type FPG. There will be lux algo, lux algo, lux algo, lux algo. Yeah, this can you see fair value gap by lux algo? Lux algo are the best of best creators of the indicator, and their indicator works the most. Like this is not an indicator like indicatorizing, that there are a lot of types of indicator. The one who gives you signal of go for buy, go for sell. Lux algo don't make those buy or sell signals. They make what is happening in the market. Okay, the fair value gaps is a indicator which will assign you, which will tell you that where the limit orders are placed, where the market can come down again. You just tap on this. See, Lux algo is very important. Okay, don't go for any other fair value gap because there are lots of other indicator, but just go for fair value gap by Lux algo. Okay, click on this. Now you can see all the fair value gaps. See, this is the fair value gap, this is fair value gap, that is fair value gap, everything will be there. Okay, and now you can understand the fair value gap by this as well. See, whenever market came down to this fair value gap, market went up. Again came down to this fair value gap, market went up. Again, see, from that point it never came down. Okay, and now the fair value gap of sell side. Red means sell orders are there, green means buy orders are there. Okay, understand this. Green, buy orders. Red, sell orders. There are two types of limit orders. One, green, which means buy orders, and red means sell orders. Okay, whenever this will be tapped, market will fall down because the sell orders are executed. You I hope you all know what sell order means. Okay, sell order is basically when the market, when the seller is trying to sell its stuff, lose the money of the value, and the value will drop down. Same way, you can clearly see right now. See, market is having a little downward shift from here because it tapped into the fair value gap of the sell order, is traveling down. And we can see this one thing: if we extend this gap, the market will come down to this point for very sure. Understood? I hope people understood. User 966090, this is the answer of your question. If the BTC go up or down, this is the answer. That BTC will go down to tap into this fair value gap, or it can go more down as well. Okay, it doesn't have to be like just a fair value gap, it can go more down as well to liquidate this thing, because if there are a very huge limit order place, it will obviously liquidate that thing. Same goes, see, and it has been, we have seen this same thing for a long period of a time. Whenever I've told you this one thing, whenever you see a straight up investment in the market, this is a straight up investment, whole invest. Now that whole thing gets liquidated again, the market will come down to its original price again. This whole thing will get liquidated means market will try to take that money. Okay, basically understanding that market will take that money. Liquidate is basically the market will grab that money. You can clearly see at the time, wherever we see a fair value gap, market comes down, grabs it, goes up. Fair value gap, market comes down, grabs it, goes up. Understood? Fair value gaps are very useful for you to re-enter in the market as well, because see, for example, you lost this movement, like market is going up, and at this point you realize that, yeah, I should have entered in the market at this place. Don't worry, if you find, is there any limit for future trading? There is no limit for future trading. Limit is there for BTC. If you want to enter in the BTC, you have to have 83 USDT to enter in the BTC market. That's all. Limit is there in the future trading at the BTC, that you cannot enter with 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 USDT. If you're having 83 or more USDT, then and then only you can start your trading in the BTC. See, to be very fair, to be very frank, BTC value is 90K. Okay. So obviously you require at least the minimum amount is 83 USDT. You cannot take a trade in BTC with just 10 USDT. For your good reason, we are doing that. Time limit after entering the market. There are no time limits, because see, if I have to show you, 1 second, I will show you. I got your question. See, can you see over here, expiry date perpetual, user 205636. Can you see over here, expiry date is perpetual, which means never ending. You can be in the market forever. If you take a trade today, you have, and for example, I'm giving an example as well so that you can understand better. Okay, for example, if today you entered at 90, this is the price, pencil. Okay, this is the price you entered today. Okay, this is your today's entry point. Okay, and from here, let's say for 2 years, 2 years has passed, and the market has never ever came down below this point. So your trade is still alive because it is perpetual contract, never ending. It doesn't have expiry date. It has a start date when you enter in the market, but expiry date there is no expiry date. You can exit whenever, however you feel like it. That's why I give you example. If today you enter at this price, and for example 90K is you entered, and for 2 years or 3 years market never came down below 90, you are still in a huge amount of profit. You won't be thrown out of the market. Even if it takes 3 years, 4 years, doesn't matter. If the price doesn't go down your entry point, then no. If price goes down, then it depends on your balance. Then if you are having if you entered at this point and market goes down, you predicted the market price will go up, but it went down, then you are started having the loss, minus 1 USDT, minus 10, minus 20. Now this minus will go till what time? Till your available balance is zero. Once your balance is zero, you will be thrown out of the market. Either you put more money, be in the market. Okay, just the balance may have an issue if you are facing loss. But if you are in a profit, then you can have it for 2 years, 3 years, doesn't matter. Till the point you don't start having loss, you won't be thrown out of the market, because this is a perpetual contract, which means never ending. Does not have an expiry date. Okay, user 205636. There are no time limits. There are in BTC only you have like limit of entering in the market in a balanced way, that you require least amount is 83 USDT is required for you. Because see, I will tell you why we have kept that. It's not like we are trying to eat up your money. We are actually saving your money. How? BTC value is 90. First of all, it is 90K. Okay, so even for you to take one or something, you have to take a lot of good leverage, maybe 50x, maybe 100x kind of leverage. In such kind of leverage, your 10 USDT will get liquidated in seconds. In seconds, your money will get liquidated, because you might enter with like what, 10 USDT, 20, 30, 40 or 50. The movement in the market, you can clearly see the movement which shifts. Even if I calculate the one candle, okay, for example, let's talk about this candle. This candle opened at what? 92. One second. 92,325. 92,325. And closed at 90,918. 90,918. Okay, can you see the difference? The candle itself ate the value of more than 2000, because this was 92. 2000 something value was dropped down in the BTC in one single candle, like in an instant. When the movement happens of this instant, your 10-20 USDT will be gone in seconds. That's why the minimum amount to enter in the BTC is 83. This is the reason. It is not that we don't want you to earn profit in BTC. We want to keep you safe. Because if you enter with 10-20, the one candle movement goes for 2000. Your 10 will be gone in like just one tick. In one tick, you will be thrown out of the market. That's why in the BTC, minimum balance is 83 because of the candle. Even see, I calculated big candle. Okay, let's talk about a small candle. Okay, this is small candle, very small candle, not a big candle. Okay, let's see where the candle opened at. This candle opened at here. Open price is 9078. 90718. And it is right now going at what? 90519. 90519. Can you see difference between it? Difference is almost 200 USDT. Even the small candle has a difference of 200 USDT in the BTC, even the smallest to smallest candle. That's why it's a more probability of you getting liquidated from the market. If you want to start trading in BTC, have at least 1000 USDT. At least the least amount you will have to have 1000. Even that 1000 you have to keep it very safe, because you will never know when your 1000 can go in seconds. In few seconds, 1000 can eat up. Okay, so make sure to understand this thing. It's not like we don't want you to earn profit. We are trying to keep your money safe because of the liquidation, high liquidation in the BTC. Okay, welcome user 220124. Welcome, thank you so much for joining this live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. Okay, anybody, any other questions? I am ready to help you with any other questions you are facing, any other questions you want to ask, and blah blah blah, blah things. Okay, let's continue then. But understand this. Okay, this fair value gap, like fair value gap lux algo, it is, this indicator is not available in the Zbit. You can check it from the trading view. Okay, this indicator is not of a Zbit. Welcome user 153868. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for joining this live, and thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. Lux algo fair value gap indicator is available free. Okay, it's free. You can, anybody can watch it, anybody can use it. It's free, but on trading view, not in the Zbit. Zbit indicator doesn't have that fair value gap thing. Okay, it's just one F thing, that's Fisher transform. These are the indicators which Zbit has, not the good ones, but like very old ones, like very old ones. So you can use trading view for those indicators if you feel that you need those indicators, because fair value gap is the very best option for you to enter in the market. Fair value gaps gives you a lot of re-entries. Re-entries as in, like, for example, like I was telling you all people, see, where is that point? Okay, yeah. See, now if you saw this kind of huge movement, okay, now you feel like, yeah, I should have entered and I should have captured this. What is the movement of the market? 2.22% of the market I should have captured. I should have captured this 2.22% of the market, but I lost the opportunity. But if you see any fair value gap down there, like as in this is the fair value gap down there, at this point, you know one thing for sure, that I have 70% of chances to re-enter inside the market. Re-enter in this way, like I will tap onto this whenever market comes down to the fair value gap, which is 70% chances. Yes, the market, it, see why there is a chance of fair value gap, why people will think, bro, limit order market, if you said that market requires money, so obviously every fair value gap will be tapped in. No, that's not a situation. The tap of the fair value gap depends on the investment price inside the limit order. Like for example, there are two scenarios. Okay, one scenario is this limit order. See, can you see this limit order was not tapped in? This was not tapped in. Why? Because maybe here limit order was placed at just 100 USDT, or maybe max, let's say 1000 USDT. That's all. See, market is greedy for money, but not for small money. He doesn't require this 100,000 money. Okay, so if there is a limit order which is for maybe, let's say, 1 million, maybe 10 million, maybe 100 million, then and then only the market will come down to see and grab a big, not for the small penny monies. For him, like 100, for the market, BTC market is sitting at what? Trillion. We are sitting at a trillion market cap. Market cap means, how should I explain market cap? Okay, for example, consider that this is a pot. Okay, one second. I will explain you what do you understand by trillion market cap. You might have heard like people say that BTC is a trillion market cap. Okay, so what a trillion market cap means? Understand that this is a pot. This is a pot of BTC. Same like that, there are other pots of Ethereum and so on and so on and so on. I'm just giving you an example of two. When you hear from the people, like what do you understand by market cap? Understand this situation, that this is BTC's pot. Now, every time whenever you invest means that you're throwing money inside this pot. Okay, money is getting inside this pot. That is our investment. Okay, it can be big investment for those big people, big whales, corporate people, everything. And even the retailers, us, we also give the throw money of like 10 USD, 100, 200, 500,000, 10,000. Our money also goes in the same place. Okay, now till this point, market started, BTC market started at like 2013, 14 something, I guess 14. When was the BTC start? BTC started at, I guess, 2013. BTC started trading at what year? 2009. 2009. Okay, 2009. 2009. Okay. Since 2009, the money is getting stored inside this pot. I'm not saying that money gets only stored. Some money goes out as well, which whenever we take profit, whenever this whale liquidates themselves, like I want to sell this, I want to sell that, I want to sell this, that time money goes out from this pocket pot as well. But the money which is still inside the pot is the market cap. Okay, simple understanding of market cap is like, consider if the BTC is pot, this is our money which is getting inside by investment, our inflow, and the money which is still inside the pot is around something 4 trillion right now. Right now, market cap, the latest market cap of BTC is, market cap of BTC. What? We were at 4 trillion. Now it is just 1 trillion. Why? So much got liquidated. So much got liquidated. Okay. We were 4 trillion before. Now we are just 1 trillion. Okay. So 1 trillion means what? That BTC has an investment of 1 trillion till right now point. Consider a bank locker. Inside that bank locker, there is 1 trillion money just sitting. People, if people take out that money, then it will be more less. Okay, market cap basically means that money which is inside the BTC market, the total sum of money inside the BTC market. Understood? Same goes for Ethereum as well. When people invest, it is going inside the money. The total sum of all the money inside the Ethereum market is a market cap. Simple, very simple to understand. So the market cap which is whatever. So the market cap which is sitting at the trillion will not come down for, like, for example, this fair value gap was not tapped in. The market will not come down for your small investment, which is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, maybe 1,000, maybe 10,000, maybe 50,000. It will not come down for that small amount of money. It won't come down. Understand this point very clearly, very this thing, the market will not come down for this small amount. Market will only come down for big amount. Now people may ask, then how should we find out if this limit order has a huge investment, basically huge limit order with, let's say, million, billion, trillions of dollar, or just 10, 20, 30 USD? How do we find out? For that, you should check out the book map of BTC. It is available. It is like, you can see, like, I'll show book map of BTC. See, it will look like this. This is what bookmap looks like. It is very hard to understand if you don't have knowledge regarding it. See, bigger balls means there is a bigger investment. Small balls means there is small investment. Okay, market is at this point right now. It is very sure, like, as this is a bigger price over here, I don't have pencil here or what? Can I use pencil? Is there any pencil? Pencil. I cannot draw. Okay. I cannot draw over here, but understand this point. This is our current market price. Can you see 3000? This is Ethereum we are watching. Okay. Ethereum. This is the current market price. 3002 is right now we are trading at. Okay. Now we can see that there is a very huge red ball, means there is a huge limit order placed over there, that there are high to very high 80% chances that market will come down to that price, which is 3021 point something, 3021 range, where the market will come down, grab this liquidity and then go down. Understood? Wherever you see bigger balls, that means that is a price where market will come down. It will look like this only. Okay. It's very hard to understand, but yeah, it will look like this. You can consider, like, you can say for buy as well, it will show all the buy thing, or it will show all the this thing, but it's better you look at all. I can show you the Ethereum, sorry, BTC. Now look at the BTC. BTC's bigger ball is set at, this is the bigger ball of the BTC, which is yet to liquidate. No, it got liquidate here. See, market went, came down to that price again, liquidate. Market again went, came down to this ball price. Can you see? Ball is being made at this price, came down, grabbed all this liquidity already. What you need to check, if the market is grabbing the liquidity or not. If we see a ball, and if we see the market has came down below this ball, that means it's already got liquidated already. Okay. Now watch 1 hour. See, this ball already got liquidated till this point, till here. Market got liquidated here. This was created, went up, again came down, liquidate this thing, and from here we are going up. Okay. If these two things are having a huge investment, then we may see the market can come down again to grab this and this. But if it doesn't, then it won't come up. Okay. For here as well, you saw a bigger ball, market came above this, and then you can clearly see market came down to grab all this thing again. Can you see? Grabbed this, grabbed that, came till here, grabbed both of the ball liquidity, and then it went up. Understood? This is how you can read a book map. Book map will show you the investment. Small ball, small investment. Big ball, big investment. You can check out the book map by this. I'm not going into deep knowledge regarding the book map because it's very little hard for you to understand. I'm just giving you a simple understanding. Go by the balls. Bigger balls, big investment. So market, wherever the big balls are, market will come down to that point. Big ball came, market came down, and this was also green big ball. Then market came up there, grabbed that liquidity, and I started falling down a little. Okay, got it? Welcome user 827432. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being on this live stream. You can simply search by book map over here. It will give you all those details. And if you want to understand bookmap in more detailed way for gaining more bigger profit, tell me. I will make one video for all of you people to understand what and how to earn a huge amount of profit with the help of bookmap. Okay, how to read it, how to analyze a bookmap and everything. Okay, bookmap is basically following these things, the fair value gaps, nothing else. Okay. So we were discussing something and then people started asking question. I got diverted. Uh, let it be. So let it be. For all those YouTube people, let me give you a little gist about what Zbit is about, what kind of profits you can gain from Zbit, what kind of rewards are there for all the new users, which is Zbit is giving you, offering you for completely free of things. It is completely free. We are not even asking you any smallest amount of money. The two reward you get, that there is a condition for this first two reward, that you don't even have to deposit before that. If you deposit before that, then you don't get reward. Can you see, if reward has a condition that you don't deposit, you do not deposit, then and then only you will get a reward, which means that please keep your money safe. We are here to provide you with the money, with the investment, and with the reward as well. So let us discuss what kind of rewards a Zbit is offering you. First thing, okay, for getting this reward, you have to complete three information you have to put inside here. One is, that is for creating account. Put your country code, then put your email address, and then put your password. That's all you will require. That's all you require to start your crypto journey. Zbit is basically a medium between you and your profit, which is right over there, which you are not grabbing. But Zbit can help you grab that profit, because that profit is in the other side of the bridge, which is your crypto world, which is your crypto trading. And once you do this, once you do the enter three basic information of creating account, your country code, email address, password, at the other end of the bridge, Zbit will be there to hold your hand. And as you know that a hand has a five finger, with a five finger hold, you will be getting a five rewards from the Zbit at the other end of the bridge. So for crossing that bridge, you have to enter these things. One is country code, email address, and password. Once you do that, you are at the end of the bridge on the other side, and Zbit will be there to welcome all you with the hand of five finger hold, providing you with a five rewards. Let's discuss what are those five rewards which will be providing you that too. Plus, completely free of cost. There is no costing on it. Okay, do not assume this thing that they are giving us rewards, so then they will take us some money from us or something like that. We will not ask any money from your side. These rewards are completely safe, completely beneficial, completely profitable, without asking a single investment from your side. We don't want your investment. Let's get this first thing clear. Okay, don't think that they will ask us money later or something like that. We don't. We are not a cheap person. We have a big heart. Zbit is a big people, big heart person who is ready to provide you with a lots of benefit at the end of the bridge. Okay, not in the between, not in the start. For the start, you have to just put country, email, password, sign up, boom, you are at the end of the bridge. Will provide you a hand, a five finger hold, with getting you a five rewards from our side. Okay, so first reward, once you enter in the crypto market, first reward which you will be getting at zbit.com is worth over 1000 to, one second, that slides keep moving at, so read it properly. Okay, $1200, get your first crypto asset from zbit.com. Your first crypto asset, without even entering into the market, without even trading into the market, without even deposit, without even investment, nothing. You can still get a free cryptocurrency from the Zbit app. Now, the free cryptocurrency can be anything, okay? And plus, it is 100% win chance. It's not like maybe you will get it or maybe you won't get it. There is no such things, okay? It's a lucky spin, which you can see. See, this is the lucky spin, which will be consist of 8 different coins. There are 3 types of coin: stable coins, meme coins, and altcoins. Stable coins like BTC, Ethereum, altcoins like Solana, XRP, and then meme coins like Pepe, Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, and all those kinds. Okay, this is the lucky spin which you will be seeing. You tap on that lucky spin, and whatever coin you receive, it will be completely your coin. You have a ownership of that coin. Ownership means it is like a spot coin. It is not a future coin which you have a hold for like maybe 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour. No, It is like a spot coin that you bought it, but without any investment. It's like we giving you a welcome gift. Like you entered in our platform. This is a welcome gift from us. And yes, to clear your doubts, because see, then rest of the people will come in the live stream and they will say, I got meme coin, you give meme coin only. See, algorithm is set for 1 in 500 will get BTC. We cannot give it to everybody. It is a very obvious thing. Even if understand, you put yourself in our situation, like we have opened a company, obviously we want our company to be in a profitable situation. If we want to be in profitable situation, we cannot give everybody a BTC, because you know BTC is the most valuable coin in the whole world at this point. Not even a single coin is worth over 90k dollars. So obviously we'll give it to the most rare and few people, the lucky ones, which I told you already that the algorithm is set like 1 in 500 will get BTC Ethereum, or 5 or 10 to 20 in 500 will get Solana and XRP. Because of the value it carries, we cannot provide it to everybody. If we provide it to everybody, then we have to go on the road. So to be frank, to be very fair, 1 in 500. Generally, people will get meme coins. Lucky ones will get alt or stable coins. Okay, and do not consider this thing that there are no lucky ones till now point or something like that. No, there are already people who have got BTC, who have got Ethereum, who have got Solana, who have got XR. There are already people. Very few people, but yes, there are people. Okay, so that thing you can get the free cryptocurrency from there, like a spot coins. You are a owner of that coin. You can if you want, you can trade it. If you want, you can hold it for forever and ever till the price goes up, or whatever you think you want to do, basically. Okay, you want to sell, you want to hold, you want to trade, you want to withdraw. It's up to you. Okay, it's not up to us, it's up to you, because that's a spot coin which gives you complete ownership of that coin. Now that is just a first reward which Zbit offers to you, and there are still 4 rewards remaining. Just imagine this one thing: by just putting the most simplest information of country code, email address and password, you are getting a hold of the first ever cryptocurrency which you have not even traded, invested, or done any deposit, and you still get a hold of your first ever crypto asset from zbit.com. Okay, so why wait for any of this opportunity? Start your crypto journey with zbit.com and earn a huge 5 hold, like I said to you, 5 finger hold, which we give, and with the 5 rewards. First reward is a free cryptocurrency itself. It's basically like you are running into a marathon and trophy is the price, but for that you have to run, right? Same goes for earning a cryptocurrency. For that you have to trade. But what if I tell you, you don't even have to run that marathon, you don't even have to take a trade, but you can still get your free cryptocurrency from us. And that's the reward, first reward. You can get a free cryptocurrency from zbit.com. Okay, what about second reward? So second reward talks about, first we gave you free cryptocurrency. Now we want to offer you an experience, a free experience of crypto market. Because we know this one thing, that crypto market is different than stock market. It is not same. Stock market movement is like what? 1 tick, like the price which moves, the point which moves, the dollar which moves is by like what? 0.001, 0.002, 0.003, 4, 5. Same like that it moves, right? Finding the market drop percentage or going up percentage more than 3 to 4 times on a daily basis is not possible in the stock market at all. Those kind of like drop of 5% or going up by 5% is like a very rare scenario in the stock market, maybe happening twice a week or once in a week. But in the crypto market, it happens every day because of the volatility it is carrying. So stock market is very different, indices is very different, commodities is very different. Crypto market is way better than them in earning profit, but it also comes with a disadvantage of volatility. If you ask me what gives such a huge growth in the market or huge drop in the market of the cryptocurrency, is volatility. Okay, What do you understand by volatility? Volatility means that the change in the price, the fast change in the price. Like I showed you that one candle dropped the value by 2000. That is, in just 1 hour, 2000 value was dropped. It is called as volatility. The fast the market changes its value is called volatility, and it depends, it happens because of what? It happens because of the investment which comes in the market, or the profit which is taken out from the market. Okay, like the more fast the price moves, high volatility that coin will have. Okay, so volatility, you understood, very simple. The time, how the time which is required to move the market, if it's very fast, then it is called as volatility. Within 5 minute market went up to 10%, or within next 10 minute market again dropped down to that 10%. This going up and coming down is very fast in crypto market, because first there are several reasons. Okay, one reason is that crypto is a common ground. Understand this thing. Okay, it's not just you or few people who are trading into this crypto world. No, crypto market is a common ground for everybody on this whole globe. Everybody. Like we have seen in a forex, if we talk about forex trading has sessions: New York session, UK session, London session, Indian session, blah blah blah. That means, like, on that specific time only the market will open and it will close. New York session will open by this to this time, it will close. London session will open by this to this time, it will close. But crypto market is 24/7 open. 24/7. It is never closing at all. Means, like, it opened at 2009. Like we said that BTC started trading at 2009. Since 2009, there has not been a single day where the crypto market has stopped. Not even a single day. Since 2009. No, 19, sorry, 2009. Since 2009. Okay. So that's why the volatility is a lot, because it's not just a one country trading. Whole world is trading inside the crypto market. That's why we think, like, see, for example, I will give you, if I put you in a class, if you are a teacher of a classroom, okay, you have 10 people, easy to handle 10 students, easy. I add more 10, 20, maybe little difficult, but still easy to handle. I add more 20. Now it became 40. 40 would be a mid risk. Like you may, like, you try to control them, but always there will be 2 to 3 people who will be uncontrollable. I add more 60 people. Now you are you are a class teacher of 100 people. It is very difficult to handle them. It is very difficult to tackle them, clear their doubts of 100 people. It might require you 6 to 7 to 8 hours to solve the problem. User 132035, how to withdraw your money. My money? You want to withdraw my money? I don't have money. Do not withdraw my money. If you want to withdraw your money, I will help you with your money, not my money. Okay, just give me one moment. I'm explaining you one thing. So if I place you, you are a class teacher of 100 people, hard to understand them, hard to solve the difficulties, hard to tackle them, hard to handle and maintain that class to be quiet. If I put you in a class teacher of 2000 people, more hard, like it is next, it's like impossible thing. Now understand the same situation, that in the crypto market, we are trying to control a world population. Okay, I get it, like not all the people are trading. Still, consider if the globe is having a population of maybe more than trillion we have population of, and half of those people are trading. It becomes very difficult to understand when and what people will react, because the market will react on their money, not on their mood. Okay, whatever money they invest, maybe half of the people investing for the buy side, half of the people investing for the sell side. That becomes, the market becomes more uncertain, because there are so many people with putting so many different orders. They are not unified, they are not one person. Okay, they all have different mindset, they all have a different thinking, they all get triggered by different things. Some people will look at one news, he will think that this news is a positive for BTC, he will go for a buy. Some people will think that this news is negative and he will go for sell. That makes it uncertain. Instant buy, instant fall. Instant buy, instant fall is created by because of these situations. Why crypto market has a highest volatility? Because of the number of people investing in the crypto market is a lot. It's not a small amount, it's a very huge people, very huge number of people investing in the crypto market, who has, everybody has a different mindset, who might enter at a different situation. You never know what situation they will enter for. Okay, got it? Cool. Yes, user 132035, how to withdraw your money. It's very simple. I will show you how to withdraw your money. For that, I have to log in. Let me just log in into my account and I will show you how to withdraw. Six, 8, 3, 3. Okay. So now I will show you how to withdraw your amount. Okay. First, if you have any of this currency in the future, from future, you cannot directly withdraw it. It is not possible to withdraw directly from the future. But then how can you withdraw the future amount? For example, if you have in a future, if you have, see, I have money of 28 USDT in the future, what I will do is click on the transfer. Can you see a transfer over there? Click on that transfer and then transfer from future to the spot first. Okay, I have 28. I will shift my 28 USDT from here. Confirm, confirm, start trading now. Trade. Okay, done. I will refresh it one moment, then I will go to the spot. Yeah, can you see in the spot, 28 USDT has been credited. Okay, it will happen within seconds. You don't have to wait for hours or minutes. It will happen within second. The transfer from future to spot and spot to future transfer happens within second. Okay, once you got that into the spot, then you can go for the withdrawal. Can you see a withdrawal option over here? Can you see that this is my arrow? Withdraw. Click on that withdrawal, go on the crypto withdrawal and select your currency. Obviously, you will be trying to withdraw the USDT, but for example, if you have a spot, if you bought some any other currency, if you bought meme coins, if you bought altcoins, if you bought stable coins, then you can pick that currency as well which you want to withdraw. Okay, click on you, I will show you by the USDT, then withdraw. And see, this is a blockchain. You know one thing, that this is not like traditional currency to go by a bank. This is a digital currency which can only be provided to you via blockchain. It cannot be provided to you through a bank transfer. This is not traditional currency. This is not US dollar. It is USDT, which means a digital form of dollar, not the dollar, digital form of a dollar. Okay, or if you want to withdraw any of the cryptocurrency, understand this one thing, all the cryptocurrencies are digital currencies. You cannot see, you cannot feel, you cannot touch. It is digital, basically it's a code. Okay, so it can be transferred with the help of blockchains only. We have given you 5 blockchains: Polygon, BNB Smart Chain, Tron, Ethereum, and Optimism. Okay, now understand this one thing. When you are withdrawing the money from the zbit.com, you get a transfer fee. You have to pay a transfer fee. That is $1, or it can vary depending on the blockchain you are using. Optimism takes $1. Ethereum takes, wait, I will show you how much this blockchain takes. Where is my exhibit? Okay, withdraw, crypto withdraw, the currency address. Wait, Ethereum. I don't want Ethereum. Okay, if you pick Ethereum, in that you can see all the things. Like, wait a second. Yeah, can you? Yeah, you can see all this blockchains over there, and they will have like minimum withdraw and everything over there, and estimate time to arrive to you. The time is just written over there, but it requires more time, not in the traveling through the blockchain. Traveling the blockchain can happen in the time which is mentioned. The time takes because of the verification, that we have to verify your wallet address, we have to verify the person who is sending, we have to verify the account it is going from. This verification might take time, but the transfer happens in the given time only. Okay, so Ethereum, if you pick Ethereum, then Ethereum fee is not 1 USDT, it is 1.6 USDT. Okay, and minimum you can withdraw is 5 USDT. If you go by that logic, if you are withdrawing minimum 5, then 1.6 will be taken by the transfer fee, and remaining amount, which is 3 3.4, yeah, remaining 3.4 will be given to you. Okay, you will be credited into your crypto wallet. 3.4, 1.6 will be taken by us if you use Ethereum. Okay, and if you use Polygon, this is Polygon, if you use Polygon, then you will be having 1 USDT as a transfer fee, and minimum 5. If you use Tron is the most expensive one. This, can you see Tron TRC20? This is the most expensive cryptocurrency blockchain. Why? Because it is taking you transfer fee of 2.5 USDT. If you withdraw, minimum is 5. Let's take example that you are withdrawing 5. You lost money? No. When did I lost money? I have 28. I never lost money. I have 28 USDT. Yesterday I earned 5 USDT. See, I'll show you order. My order history. Okay, this is not Revolt. Revolt. Resolve USDT. Oh, this is spot. It is not in the spot. It is in the future. Solve order history. Yeah, where is it? Yeah, can you see this PNL? Yesterday, this was yesterday's trade. You can see 28/11/2025, which means yesterday I earned 5.5 USDT. I did not lose money. I got 5.5 USDT profit. Okay, 5.5 USDT profit we earned yesterday. Didn't lose money. This is my yesterday's trade. You can clearly see my target was achieved, but I removed my target before because the market was very uncertain, but I should have kept it. I could have got 14 USDT profit, but I removed my trade with 5.5 USDT because at that time the market was fluctuating a lot. So rather than losing money, I took 5.5 USDT profit from my account. Okay, but you can clearly see my target was hit. 0.83 was my target, and you can see that the candle crossed that price, which means yesterday if I could have hold my position, I would have got 14 USDT profit, but I didn't hold. It's my mistake. I didn't hold, but still I got 5.5 USDT profit. Didn't lose money. Never lose the money. I just transferred it at the spot. Okay, this is the spot. You can see my money is in the spot. Spot to the future. 28. Confirm again later. Okay. Yeah. 28. You can see 28. Didn't lose money. Okay. Now, like I was explaining you the withdrawal thing. 1 second. Withdraw. Crypto withdraw. Okay. Yeah. So Tron will take 2.5 USDT from your transfer fee. Minimum is 5 USDT. Then comes BNB. BNB will take 1 USDT, and Optimism will take 1 USDT. Okay. I prefer Optimism. It is faster, easier, and it also take the cheapest money. So whenever you are trying to withdraw, click on the this blockchain, and this is the address. you have to add your crypto address, crypto wallet. Okay, if you don't have a crypto wallet, then create one to get that money credited into your crypto wallet. Okay, for example, see, this is, I use trust crypto wallet. I will show you. This is main wallet. Can you see a main wallet? This is a crypto wallet. Okay, basically this is a crypto wallet in which you can just there is add, send, fund, and blah 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 thing. You can scan this, you can put that address over there, and it will be created in your account from there. Okay, add, after adding your crypto wallet address, then add the withdrawal amount, click on confirm. How much is the minimum withdraw amount? See, on USDT, minimum you can withdraw is 5 USDT is a minimum which you can withdraw by USDT if you are trying to withdraw USDT. But there are different for different currencies. I can show you that as well. 1 second. For USDT, it is minimum is 5. User 446122. The most minimum amount to withdraw in USDT is 5. One is a transfer fee, so you will be credited 4. We will take 1 because that is a transfer fee which you have to pay. If you want to transfer any of this cryptocurrency, 1 we take, 4 you take. If you withdraw 5 or anything, even if you withdraw 6, 1 we take, 5 you receive. If you withdraw 7, 1 we take, 6 you will receive. So whatever amount you want to withdraw, minus 1 from it, because that is a transfer fee. Okay, for blockchains. Got it? This is how you will do the withdrawal. And for the deposit, simply click on the crypto deposit. Same again, it's not a different thing. The currency USDT, then select the network, and then select and scan or copy this address and send. That's all. That's all. And the minimum deposit amount is 0.01 USDT. That is the minimum. Less than that you cannot deposit. More than that you can deposit. 0.01 or more. People will deposit like 1, 2, 3, 10, 20, 30 only. Okay. What is the best time to trade? See, there are no best time for cryptocurrency because this is not a session. This is not any London session, New York session, Indian session. Okay. Best time to trade is near zones. That is the best time to trade. User 446122. The best time to trade in the cryptocurrency is when the market is near a zone or making a chart pattern. These are the two possibility where you can have the best entry. Right now, like for example, this was the demand zone of the market. Okay. 1 second. This was the demand zone of the market. Market created demand zone. From there, you see best movement you captured. Got it? So, in the crypto market, crypto world, crypto trading, these are the zones which you should be looking at. This will give you best time to enter whenever market is near that zone. Supply zone, then demand zone, and liquidity zone. Liquidity zone. These 3 zones are there which gives you best entry in the crypto market. Best supply, demand, liquidity, and plus re-entry. If you have missed out to enter in the market, fair value gaps, FVG, gives you a re-entry in the market. Okay, so these are the 4 things which you should be knowing for entering into the market of the crypto world. The best, there is no time because see, it is a 24/7 market. Why I said these 4 zones? Because in the crypto market, we get the momentum, the very sudden upgrowth, very sudden fall when big player, whales, industrial people, or smart money, SM basically. All these 4 people, whenever they enter in the market, that's the time when we see that the people are like investing, like major movement happens when these 4 people invest. Big player, whales, industrial people, and smart money. Whenever these people enter the market, then and then only we see movement like this. Because in the crypto market, Big money controls the money. This is, see, Bitcoin doesn't have control of government, doesn't have control of the bank. Then who controls it? People with rich, people with so huge amount of money, they are the one who controls the crypto market. Whenever they invest in a big, market moves. Okay. So there are no best times, but to be like, it's not like a compulsory thing, but whenever New York people wakes up, or whenever London people wakes up, or whenever China, Chinese, not Chinese, yeah, New York and London people, whenever they woke up, like the morning time of London and New York, at that time you will see that people are investing, because major, the big people, is it possible to make money every day with trading? Yes, it is definitely possible, but for that you need to do future trading. By doing spot trading you cannot make money every day, but by doing future trading you can make money every day. You can make money by doing only future trading every day. Why I am saying that, when the New York people wakes up and when the London people wakes up and all those, like, look at the map and see where are the most richest people are there in the part of the country, which country has the most richest people. At that time, enter when they are waking up. Why? Because, see, most of the rich people who are investing heavily into the crypto market comes from New York and comes from London, UK, London, or New York. These are the places where most of the richest traders are there. So whenever they wake up, they do the trading, they invest heavily into the crypto market for buy or sell whatever they feel. So the best time you can say is when New York and London people wake up and they are doing trading, because they trade in dollars, not in a small but a huge quantity of dollars, maybe $1 million, $100 million, $200 million. Okay, so you can consider that can be a best time, but more so zones are the best. Supply, demand, or liquidity zones and fair value gap, they are the best. And yes, it is possible. If you don't understand what is future trading, because future trading is not like spot. Okay, if you don't have any understanding of future trading, please ask me what is future trading. I will explain you what is future trading to you, so that you can grab the best profit from the market every day. User 44122, if you don't know what is future trading, feel free to ask me. I will provide you the knowledge of what is future trading. Okay, please explain. Okay, got it. So what do we understand by future trading? Okay, first let me explain you a difference between spot and future, to make you understand more easily. Can you give me USDT? No, I won't. But there is an option for all of you people. If I come live 5 days, okay. So, like, basically, I come live on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. In these 5 days, if you deposit more than 3 times in the live stream of my timing from the live stream function, you can see there is a function called deposit and take a trade below. If you deposit from that more than 3 to 4 times, then I will give you free USDT then and then only. Okay, free, it is nothing is a below free over here. Okay, you have to do something. Free are only for those people who are new users. Okay, but first let me explain one thing to the user 446122, what is spot and future. Okay, consider spot means what? That I went to a store. For example, I went to Apple store. Okay, I gave him money, he gave me my phone. This is my phone now. I have a complete ownership of this phone. I bought it from the Apple store, right? I gave him money and he gave me my phone. Exchange has happened. I gave investment. He gave me product. Now this is my product. I can use it. I can throw it. I can keep it. I can do whatever with it. I am the owner of this phone now, and I am the only one who will decide when to sell it again or when to give it to who people or whatsoever. Okay, so this is what a spot market is. Spot market is like you went to a physical store, basically you gave them money and you took something from them and that is yours now. Same example, like for example, I gave, let's say if I want to buy today one BTC, so I have to pay 90k thousand. I will give that 90k thousand, and they will give me this money. They will give me one BTC. Now I am the owner of the one BTC. Okay, I am holding one BTC in my account. But this is spot, simple transaction. Get the product, transaction, get the product, and whenever you want to sell it, for example tomorrow I want to sell my phone, I will sell it at whatever price is going on there in the market. Okay, this is a simple spot market, simplest. But the future market, in the future market, we are not buying or selling any cryptocurrency. Like for example, if in future market you are putting your investment, you put your investment, that doesn't mean that you are getting that BTC in your hand. No, you are not getting that BTC in your hand. Nothing you are getting in your hand. Okay, then what are we doing? What we do is BTC in the future trade. What we do is prediction game. Is more like gambling. We gamble. We gamble involved. Like, have you went to play roulette in the casino? There is a game called roulette. The guy will spin that roulette and it will stop it maybe red color, maybe black color, or some numbers. When the spin starts, we put our bidding that I feel it will come on the red color, I feel it will come on the green color, I feel it will come on this XYZ price. If that price is come, if you said 15 red and it came on 15 red, then you win. That is your jackpot. Same like that in the in the future trading, what happens is you are not buying or selling any cryptocurrency. You pay for, you invest that I want to hold. Hold means what? That this is, I'm not going to keep it in my pocket. I'm not going to name this is Yash Pawar's. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to hold that price, not the currency. Like I said to you, I'm going to hold a price and I'm just going to predict if the price from here will go down or will go up. That's all. That is future trading. We do not trade in cryptocurrencies. We are not buying or we are not selling any cryptocurrencies over here. But what are we doing over here is a simple thing, that is a prediction of the price. Bitcoin price right now is 90518. Okay, this is the price which is given to me by the market. Now I have to decide whether in the next 1 day, 1 hour, 15 minutes, or whatever next, which is the future. In the future, if this price 90518 will go up or will fall down, that's all I have to predict. If my prediction goes right, then I am getting profit. Basically, see, if this is a price, I decided that I feel market is gonna go down, I entered for a short trade. Okay, in the future, in the spot, we call it as a buy or sell. Okay, but in the future we call long/short. Okay, we don't say buy sell. Why? Because we do not do buy sell. We go for long and short. Long means that you're predicting that your price can go up. This is called long. I am opening a long position, which means my price can go up. For example, if you see over here, 1 second. See, can you see open long? This is zbit.com. Can you see open long? Open long means that I'm predicting the price will go up. And there is another thing called as open short. Open short means that I'm predicting that from this moment price will fall down. That's all. And there is lot of benefit. You asked me like, can I earn every day in the can I earn every day from the market profit? Yes. Only by the future. Why? I will explain. See, in the future, you get two options. One is whenever market goes up, you still can make money. Whenever market falls, you still can make money. But in the spot market, you have to buy at the cheapest price, and whenever the market will go up higher price, then and then only you will sell. For example, I bought BTC at 90. I want to sell it at maybe 120, maybe 130, so that I can gain some profit. I won't sell. If I buy at 90, I won't sell it at 80. It's my loss. I won't sell. So there is only one movement with which you can earn profit in the spot. But in the future, you can earn from both of the side. We have seen many times the Bitcoin market crashes down. Everybody gets panicked that share market is crashing down, market is falling, I am losing amount. That's not losing amount. You can just simply go on the future. Tell when you see market is crashing down, open your short trade. Even if the market is crashing down, just predict. I feel market will crash down, price will fall down. Entered and you can earn profit. The more market crashes, the more profit you earn. Simple. In this way, you can earn the profit in the future market every day. Why? Because every day the price is shifting for upward or for downward. Every day. It's not like one day it will shift, next day it won't shift. No. You can clearly see this price, the price of BTC, price of Ethereum, price of Solana, or price of any cryptocurrency are in a constant shift. Every day, every minute, every second, that price is either going up or either going down. So future trading gives you opportunity to grab that profit every day from the market just by doing prediction. Okay, but for that there is one requirement of understanding of the market. Because see, if you, for example, you said like I feel that market is gonna go down, I opened a short over here, but market reversed and it went up, then you are facing loss. You have to make sure that your prediction goes right. If you said price will fall down, price should fall down, then only you are earning a profit. If market rejects, like you said price will fall down, but from there market is going up, then you are facing loss. Okay, one more advantage of future trading. In a spot trading, you don't have that advantage, but in the future trading, you have that advantage. It is called as leverage. Okay, leverage. What do you understand by leverage? Leverage is basically that you are borrowing some money from some XYZ person or borrowing money from market itself. What happens is, for example, I have just 10 USDT. Okay, I just have 10 USDT. I don't have money more than 10 USDT. But even though I have a very small capital of 10 USDT, I still can take a trade of 100 USDT. How? With 10 USDT, how I can take a trade of 100 USDT? Where did that 90 USDT came from? This is the missing 90 USDT. Where did that money came? I had 10, 90 was added more, and then you took 100 USDT trade. Now this is what leverage means. Can you see leverage over here? This is leverage. You can pick your leverage from 1 to 75. That is basically, if for example, if I took 10x of leverage, for example, I went over here and I took a trade of 10x leverage, I confirmed it, and from here 10 means what? 10 into 10, which becomes what? 100 USDT. So even if that's a question, brother, how I know market are going up or down? Very simple, very simple. You just have to focus on few, and I will explain you that as well. Just give me one moment. I'm explaining the leverage. After leverage, I will answer your question, like how can you understand by if the market can go up or go down. I will explain you that situation. You don't have to worry. Okay, so even if, for example, 10 into 10 becomes 100. So with just small amount of 10 USDT, you can open 100 USDT trade, a bigger trade, which can give you a bigger profit. Okay, simple. Now, user 446122, you are asking how to understand if the market is either going up or either going down. Very simple, very simple. It's not hard thing. For that, you should know market analysis. Okay, now what comes under a market analysis? Under market analysis comes, you should find supply zone. You should know how to find demand zone. You should know liquidity. Then you should know fair value gap. You should know market structure. You should know chart patterns. You should know candlestick patterns. Okay. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 things. These are the 6 things which is required for you to understand a market analysis. Simple. This is your answer. How do I know if you where is mouse? Where is mouse? Okay, this is mouse. This is a simple. I will write it in words so that you can understand much more better. Okay. Supply zones, finding zones in the market. You can take screenshot, you can note it. Then demand zone. Then comes liquidity zones, and you can find out these zones very easily once you understand what it means. Okay, it's not a very rocket science, it's very easy to understand. And then comes your fair value gap, then comes your market structure, sixth will come chart patterns as plural, and seventh what, and seventh will come your candlestick patterns. These are the 7 things required for market analysis. Market analysis. These are the 7 things which is required for market analysis. Supply zone, demand zone, liquidity zone, fair value gap, market structure, chart pattern, candlestick pattern. If you know these 7 things, then you don't have to worry regarding anything. You will understand the whole market analysis, and you don't even need to understand any other things. Like you don't need any other thing if you just know this 7. With this 7 thing, you can understand the market like a book, like you're reading the chart, like you are reading what is going to happen next. Okay, this thing. And there is one more thing which I will tell you. Okay, there is one more thing which is also can affect the market, which is news, but not that much. Okay, this is like maybe once in a month kind of scenario. Like maybe once in a month a very bigger news will come in the market, and that will trigger the market for downside or for the upside. Same goes, like I will give you example. Recently we seen that the US government got collapsed, it got shut down, and after that the gate got shut down, the whole market was pumping up. Then the US came back, they applied tariff, then the whole market got dumping. So news is also a factor. If there is global politics news, okay, global politics news, and also investment of whales, big player, industrial people as well, industry, I don't know spelling, it's fine. Company, I'll say company. Yes, this is also other factor, but it is like once in a blue moon thing. Okay, this is not for everyday thing. This is not everyday thing. News will come once in a month. A very big news will come, which will throw the market either down or up. Investment of whales creates the. This is linked. Okay, investment of whale. This is linked with this. These 4 things, supply, demand, liquidity, and fair value gap, is created by this investment of whale, big player and company. So if you understand this, you understand this. Simple. Supply zone, demand zone, liquidity, fair value gap are only and only created by the investment of whales, big players and companies. Okay. You and anybody over here cannot create a demand zone. We don't have investment of million, billion dollars. These people have. Whenever market invest million, billion dollar, demand zone is created. Whenever market this whales only will liquidate. For example, they bought for like BlackRock CEO by 500 million investment of BTC. He bought 500 million BTC in spot. Demand has created, such kind of huge candle will create at that moment. Same goes for like when BlackRock CEO decide that now I want to sell maybe 2000 BTC from my whatever I'm holding 80,000 Bitcoin. From that 80,000 Bitcoin, I want to sell 2000 BTC. Then he will create a supply zone, that is increasing the supply. Like I am selling 2000. Major big selling creates supply zone, big investment creates demand zone, liquidity zone is created by confusion, creating confusion in the market to eat up lot of people's basically stop losses. Okay. Fair value gaps are limit orders, where limit orders are placed. This investors limit order only, not R. Market won't come down for my 10 USDT or your 1000 USDT. It will not come for that. Market will come down. See, this is green thing is fair value gap. Okay. If this fair value gap is basically what? Limit orders are placed. Limit order means what? That I don't want to enter at market price. I want to enter at my own price. I have said that if market comes down to this price, I will put 100 million investment in the market. Then and then only market will come down to grab that 100 million. If we put, I will invest 10 USDT, market will not come for 10 USDT. Fair value gaps are only valuable if big investments are there. Million, billion investment. Market fair value gap won't tap themselves if it is just 1000, 2000, 10,000. They will like keep your money with yourself, enter with market price if you want, or we won't come down basically. Okay. And then market structure basically means identifying the structure of the market, higher highs, higher lows. Okay. For example, this is uptrend, making what? Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher high, higher lows. In this, you can identify and you can take a trade. Whenever market comes to the higher low position, you can enter in the price of higher high and then you can create a profit. Same goes for lower low, lower high, which will create this situation. Market will be in a downtrend going down. Market is making higher low, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Okay. In this also you can start your investment. Chart patterns gives you breakout. Breakout means what? Breakout means market will create chart patterns. For example, I will give you one live example. Wait a second. Okay. 1 second. I will give you one live example of what chart pattern means. If I spot any chart pattern recently, if there was any recent chart pattern. Yes. See, this is a bearish pennant chart pattern. It will look like a triangle, market will fall, it will look like triangle, and then you can get a very big entry. This is also very big entry for you to do. What kind of percentage market? If you got a breakout, you almost got 2.84% of the market to capture. If you don't know chart patterns, just search. That was bearish chart patterns. I will search you bearish pennant chart pattern. See, can you see this bearish pennant chart pattern? Image, where is image? This is Chinese, I don't know. This is image. Can you see same like structure? market fall, triangle pattern will form, and from there again we get a big movement. It is called as bearish pennant chart pattern. Same like this, there are lots of chart pattern. There are bearish flag, bullish flag, there is head and shoulder pattern, double top, double bottom. There are so many chart patterns. You can help understanding of chart patterns. You can just search chart patterns. See, these are all the chart patterns of the market. You can see bearish double top, bearish head and shoulder, bearish rising wedge, this wedge, blah 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 blah. These are all the chart patterns in the market. You will see some kind of structure which will give you a very huge breakout in the market. Okay, this is the chart pattern thing. Now next come is candlestick pattern. Yesterday I explained you one very simple way to identify which candle is us, which candle is big player, how to find out if a candle is gonna give you a reversal or not. For example, see, this is understand little basic. Okay, first basic of candle is like this is a body of candle, open, close, high, low. This is the basic of candle, open, close, high, low. Okay, this is a green candle because open is down, close is above. That means price is going up. For example, if price is 150, close is 200, price is going up, it's a green candle, buyer's candle. Same goes for red, open will be above, close will be below. Open is 200, close is 150. That means price is falling down because market opened at 200, came down to 150, and this is the normal high low. High low will be same. Okay, now we have to understand the market with this high and low only. I will explain you how. Whenever you see such kind of candle, like the upper wick, this is called upper wick, which is H high is called as upper wick. Whenever you see an upper wick is very long, that means the sellers are entering into the market, and sellers, they have one job of seller, to put the market down, decrease the value as much as they can. If you see a long upper wick like this, the next candle will be red color candles, which you can see from here. Can you see? See, 1 second. Can you see a very long upper wick? This is the candle, same exact like this, very long upper wick, small body, and this. Can you see from next moment, market fall down? This is called as rejection from the top. From the top, markets are rejecting themselves. That means sellers are inside the market. This is one scenario. Another scenario is this, again same thing, a very long upper wick. Can you see this candle with a very long upper wick? From there market started falling down. Okay, another scenario I will explain. See, same rejection candle, very long upper wick, body, small lower wick. That means sellers are inside the market, they will throw their market down. Okay, this is one part for market to go down. But what about if reversal is happening and market is going to go up? For that, understand this one thing. If this is small upper wick, body, but long lower wick, this means market came down till this point. L means lowest price market came to. Open, close. I will explain you by this thing. 50 open, 200 it closed, but market came down till 90. Till 90 it came down by seller pressure. But from that 90, it was rejected by the buyers and put down to here 200. So whenever you see a longer lower wick, that means next candle is going to be a green color candle and market is going to go for upside. I will show you again, same thing. Okay, can you see longer lower wick, from there market went up. Okay, another thing, longer lower wick, market went up. Longer lower wick, market went up. Longer lower wick, market went up. Understood? This is called as what? This is called as this candlestick patterns. There are lots of different candlestick patterns as well. This is one basic I explained you of longer upper and longer lower wick. Basic. But there are more advanced candlestick patterns as well. So to understand if the market can go up or can go down, this is the seventh thing which you need to understand. Supply zone, demand zone, liquidity zone, fair value gap, market structure, chart patterns, candlestick patterns. Simple. I gave you example of everything in a basic example just to make you understand what is this. Okay. If you want to know a deep knowledge in detail of what do you understand by supply zone, how to find out a supply zone, what do you understand by demand zone, how to find the demand zone in the market, same goes how to find liquidity zone in the market, how to find fair value gap in the market, how to find market structure, how to identify market structure, if it's a uptrend, if it's a downtrend, if it's a sideways market, what do you understand by consolidation, manipulation, accumulation, and chart patterns and candlestick patterns. Explaining very nicely. Please continue. Okay, thank you so much, but that's what I'm saying you. I gave you very basic explanation for everything. I give you basic explanation for supply zone. Supply zone means that whenever the big people who is having very huge money, that they are holding 80,000 Bitcoin, 1 lakh Bitcoin, 2 lakh Bitcoin kind of structure they are holding. When they decide to sell, then they create supply zone, because they are not selling in like 0.5 BTC. They are selling big BTC, 2,000, 1,000, maybe 10,000 BTC they are selling. Then it creates supply zone. Big withdrawal from the market. Big withdrawal as in not in just I took 10,000 profit from the market, it will create supply zone. No, 10,000 profit will not create supply zone. Profit of, let's say, 1 million, 100 million, 200 million, 500 million, or maybe 1 billion. That is the value which will create supply zone. When the money is going out of the market, which is called as outflow. Okay. Now, next is demand zone. I explained you demand zone. Demand zone means when these big investors, whales, big player, company, they invest in a very heavy amount. Heavy doesn't mean thousands. Heavy means lakh kind of amount. $1 lakh, $2 lakh, $100 lakh, 100 million, 200 million, 500 million. That creates demand zone. Okay. Then liquidity is a place where market is trying to trap you and earn profit from you. Like whenever you enter, market will shift toward the other side and it will trap you. Fair value gaps are basically limit orders placed by these people. Why they put limit order? People will ask, why limit order? What is the need of limit order? I will say you why is the limit of limit order. Need of limit order. See, these people invest in millions and billions dollars. 100 million, if I say 100 million, the 100 million investment cannot go in one way. Like, this is my 100 million, take it. It will not be like this. What they will do, they will divide this 100 million in parts. 50 million, they will invest first, and then they will invest another 50 million. Understood? 50 million first, 50 million next. First, they will invest 50 million, then they will invest another 50 million. They do it in the part and part, which creates fair value gaps. Like first they invested 50 and then they said, for example, like for example, okay, let's say, okay, yeah, see, this is the fair value gap. Market went above it, again came down to same exactly price, and then again went straight up, right? So what happened over here? First, this guy invested 50 million at the price of what? At the price of 85. You can see this is the price 85300. From here he invested, one investment done. Market went till where? Market went till 86790. This is the price market went with the investment of 50 million. Okay. Then he put another 50 million. Then he put another 50 million. He said that I want to enter the same price. My what was the price? 85300 only. I want to enter with another 50 million. When market see such huge price, 50 million, 100 million, the market will come down. Can you see market came down exactly at the price, the same price, and in from here another 50 million got invested and market went up. 50 50 100 million invested in a part wise. That's why they make a limit order. That's why will they go, why will they buy it at more higher price? They will put limit order. I bought previously investment 50 at 85,300, another 50 also I want to invest in the same price 85,300. Okay, simple. That's why the fair value gaps are very important. So those are the things. If you require a detailed knowledge, I gave you just very basic knowledge about it, very basic knowledge, just upper like upper, like you are 44122, you are from India or not? Let me see, where are you from? Yes, you are from India. Okay, so मैंने basically ना अभी बस ऊपर का knowledge बताया है, ठीक है, just a very like normal knowledge. If you want to learn in a deep, make your market analysis skills the best, then please ask like one by one. Okay, all these 7 things cannot be explained in one live stream. I will require more live stream to explain this, but I will show you one way, very easy way. User 44122, I'm talking to you. 446122, basically go on the YouTube. In the live stream explaining that huge thing becomes very hard. Okay, so what you can do is, see, can you see this cheesy bit? CHEEZEEBIT. Click on this. This is my channel only. Okay, this is my channel. You can clearly see if you go on the live, you will see same me again. This is same me only. This is no any different person. Come on the extreme down, extreme down, extreme down, extreme down, extreme down. Yeah, from here, yes, this, can you see candlestick trading 101? This was my first video. First video I created is I started explaining everything of market analysis, chart patterns, candlestick patterns, everything. So you can simply go, you can learn from the most basics, the high, what kind of candle patterns you will understand, how to trade on those candles, everything. I have already talked about or this. It is a so if you want to understand in the more detailed way, this is just me only. You can learn about, this was a candlestick. I will show you chart pattern as well. This is double candlestick. There are 3 types of candlestick pattern: single, double, triple. Okay, after that you will see chart patterns. Yes, these are the chart patterns in the market. Between R1 and S1, these are the chart patterns. Exactly, I've explained you how to identify those chart patterns, what kind of chart patterns you will see. Distance and like this is rising with chart patterns, everything is when I've already explained the every chart patterns in detail, every chart patterns. Okay, I didn't even left any single one. You can see the chart patterns over here as well. Plus this is also chart pattern. Yes, this is rounding top chart pattern. Every of those chart patterns I have already explained. Here the candle, the chart pattern, all the chart patterns explained, what it is, you have how to trade in those chart patterns, level, how to grab those opportunity, so everything already explained. So you can simply go on to the cheesy bit. Okay, this is a cheesy bit platform. This was previous, like we used to make videos on cheesy bit before, then we shifted to the Zbit. So cheesy bit, go on the live stream and start from the most bottom. Okay, if you start from my first video, it will take you like you're starting from legitly 0, and from that 0 you can become expert. From 0 to expert, I have made the whole course of understanding trading, how to do trading, from candlestick pattern, chart pattern, liquidity, supply zone, demand zone, blah, 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 blah. Everything in very detailed manner I have explained already in those videos. Okay. So if you want to learn, and even if, see, I'm just saying, go watch those videos, learn from it. If you have any doubt, like I didn't understand this, I did not understand that, then you can come on my live stream, ask me those doubts, watch those video, make notes, make doubt, write your doubt separately, make notes of what you need to understand, what you not need to understand. Whatever doubt is there, come on my live stream, ask those doubt on my live stream, and I will help you to understand those doubts. Okay. But do that, that is much more better, because you can start from legitly zero and you can go to the expert level. Okay, like I have explained in such a way that a person who doesn't know anything about trading, from that level I have started the course, to understand people, what is trading, what is candle, what is this, what is that, blah 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 blah. Okay, if you want to take a screenshot, take a screenshot of this channel. It is called as Cheesy Bit. CHEEZEEBIT. Okay. Cool. Understood? Is there any other thing which you like to ask? Please feel free to ask as well. And I showed you the YouTube channel already. Like this is that YouTube channel which you can go, which you can learn from the basics of basic to the advanced level. You can learn from that YouTube channel, and it's our channel only. It's not somebody else's channel. That's my channel. I am the only one who is creating those videos. I am the only one. Definitely, I will subscribe your channel. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And whenever, whatever doubt you are having, please come to the live stream, ask me doubt. I will help you solve and resolve this doubt, and I will help you understand this. Learn from there. Doubt, come to me. I will solve those doubts. Okay. Now, we'll discuss what happened yesterday, what kind of trade we took yesterday, because see, you can clearly see this is challenge day 6. And yesterday I earned 23.9% of profit. Okay, challenge, you can see it turned 10 USDT into 1000. We are doing it. Yesterday I earned 5.5 USDT with Resolve. I have earned 14 basically, but at that time market was fluctuating a lot. I took my trade out by 5 USD profit, but later on I can show you my target was actually hit. I made my target at 0.83. Can you see? Wait a second. I will show you my target. This was yesterday. I said open short future trade over here, and my target was just 0.08350. Till this point, I was gonna earn 14 USDT from the market. But at this point, can you see this hammer candle? This is a hammer candle, which is called as hammer candle. It gave me a very huge rejection from the bottom. I thought that now the trend will change. So I took my trade out with the 5 USDT profit. But from the next moment, again, the market fall down. It hit my target, and rather than earning 14, this was 14 USDT profit over here, which already came. Market went more down to that point. But because of this one candle, because of this one hammer candle, I took my trade out, because hammer candles are bullish candles which can change the market position. Okay, because of that one candle, I took my trade out of 5 with 5.5 USDT profit. But if I could have hold it, if I had a patience, I would have earned 14 USDT from the market. This was my yesterday's trade, and this I gave you to every people only. Okay, this is given to every people. All people on the live stream was given this trade. I trade live on the live stream. So whenever you come on the live stream, after 2 hours only, this 2 hour goes in explaining everything, explaining the ZBit, explaining what happened, explaining some concept, clearing people doubt. I want to learn first before investment. Good, that is a very good thing. Always everybody should have this thing. Before investing any amount, you should gain a skill first, then invest later. If you don't have a knowledge of trading, then what's the point of trading? Then you are just throwing dart like blind. You are closed and you're just throwing that. You don't even know if it is hitting your target or not. First, know how to do it, learn how to do trading, gain the knowledge, gain the skill, then only enter in the platform. Then and then only. That's a very good thing. And I say the same thing to everybody. First, gain the knowledge. If you don't have the knowledge, I can provide you the knowledge. First, gain, then enter in the market. Do not enter before the knowledge, that because at that moment you are having maximum to maximum chance of having loss. Why? To have a loss. Earn the knowledge, earn the profit. Basic fundamental. No knowledge, no profit. Knowledge, profit. So this was my yesterday's trade, which I gave you in the live stream. I have started the challenge, by the way. Okay, this is the, you can see turning 10 into 1000. I started with the 10. I have made it 28 USDT till now point. 18 USDT profit we have made till now point. In between, I had a loss as well, 2 USDT loss. Then otherwise it would have been 30. Okay, I started from the 10. Now it was 30 USDT, but $2 I lost. That is totally fine. Win and lose are the part of the game. But from the 10 I started, 10 became 28. Okay. So we'll discuss what happened yesterday, why, what I shouldn't have done, what I should have done, and everything. I will discuss it. But I would love to take a 5 to 10 minute break. I will be coming back after 5 to 10 minutes. I need some relaxation as well. I will come back after just 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, I will take a break. We will see each other in 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, if you want to stay on the live stream, stay on the live stream. That is also fine. I will come back in 5 to 10 minutes with a small break. After me coming to the from the break, we will discuss what happened yesterday and what kind of trade we will take today. What will be today's trade, because today's challenge day 6, and I will take today take a trade today as well on the live stream in front of all you people. We'll discuss which coin should I enter, which coin should I not enter. Everything we'll discuss, and then we will enter. Okay, for right now point, I'm going on a break for 5 to 10 minutes. I will see you in 5 to 10 minutes. Welcome user 747283. Welcome user M Banaso. Banaso. Welcome user 337391 and welcome user 256461. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. Thank you so much for coming down to this live stream. Okay, we are going to start our live trading. We are going to first discuss what happened yesterday, and then we will start discussing what we can do today. Okay. I don't like India. So this was my yesterday's trade. Yesterday we tried, we decided that Resolve V USDT I was trading into, and I decided to go for an open shot. And you can clearly see it was an open shot thing. My target was hit as well. But see, I kept like all the time, I do one thing that I always keep whatever target I am keeping for myself. I go for first target at the half price. Okay. Wait a second. What happened? Oh, shit. One second. I entered at somewhere here. I kept my target over here. Okay. This was my yesterday's trade. I kept my target at 0 point, which you can see clearly over here. 0.08350 was my target. Okay. When I entered in the market at somewhere around this price, from there, from there, you can clearly see market fluctuated a lot. One time market fluctuated, came till this moment, didn't give me any minus, but again from there it started falling down. Okay. At this point, I was somewhere at 5 USDT profit. And at the time when market created 5 USD profit, market made this hammer candle. Can you see a candle which looks like a longer lower wick, a hammer, and this is something look like a hammer. It is called as hammer candlestick pattern, which generally is made when the reversal of the trend is gonna come. So at this point, I took my trade off. That I thought that I can have more loss, maybe because see, first indication market gave me here. When the market reversed over here, it gave me indication that seller strength is not there that much in the market. That's why market is fluctuating. Second, then I saw confirmation of a hammer candle and I took my trade off, that I don't want to enter in this trade anymore. At this point, I had 5.5 USDT profit, which you can see over here. Can you see 5.5 USDT profit I earned yesterday? This is 5.5 USDT profit. My close shot. I closed my shot and it was 5.5 USDT profit done. From this point, I thought the reversal will happen. I didn't had a patience. I should have had a patience, because after that you can clearly see seller entered in the market and the whole market fall down even beyond my target price. My target price was just target. You can clearly see 0.08350 around over here. It was my target price, which was gonna give me 14 USDT profit from the market. Okay, but because of this one candle, one hammer candle, I will show you hammer candle. Okay, wait a second. Hammer candlestick pattern. See, you can clearly see hammer candle is formed when there is a rejection from the market, from the seller side, from the buyer side, and they will try to push the market up. This is seen. We have seen this hammer candle a lot of time. We have seen this candle. It doesn't matter if it's a green color, red color, doesn't matter at all. Whenever you see a hammer candle, it always gives you a 90% chance that from there rejection can happen. I saw that. I took my trade of 5 USDT. I didn't had a patience because I thought I can lose my investment. Okay. From there, I didn't continue. I took my trade with 5.5 USDT profit, which you can see over here. This was yesterday's trade, 28 November 2025. But from there, again, market fall down. hit my target and I lost the opportunity to earn 14 USDT. If I would have hold the target more, then I would have earned 14 USDT. But just because of one candle, I didn't got 14 USDT, but I got 5.5 USDT profit. Okay, good. So today we'll keep that thing in mind that even if we are having such hammer candles or any of the candles which can give a response that maybe a reversal can happen or something, we'll always keep this one thing ahead, that always have patience in the market, because patience is the key for the trading. You have a patience, your target will be hit. Okay, so this was yesterday's trade. I hope everybody understood. That's why my profit I changed to 23.9, because I invested almost something around 23 USDT I invested, and I got 28 from it, 5.5 USDT profit, 28.7 it became. Okay. So now I will delete all this and we'll look at the market at a very new perspective. Always see, whenever you have already entered the previous entry and blah blah, delete those things. Okay, because enter with a new perspective can give you new angles to look at the market, that what can happen the next and all scenario. Okay, always whenever you have entering in the market, re-entering in the market, delete everything, enter with a new perspective, not with the old perspective. Today, which is the coin which the app said? Zbit has an AI bot, by the way. Okay, this AI bot will give you the coins to trade in, like the trendy coins. This Resolve VT came from there only. Today, the most trendy coin is TIE USDT, TIA, SPX, and Hype USDT for last 1 hour. Okay, let's see TIE. This is the one which they are saying which can have a very good opportunity for us to enter, and that too they are saying go for buy situation. For TIE and SPX they are saying for go for sell situation. SPX USDT, and it has fallen already a lot. Okay, good. We'll keep those coins in the mind for now. Let's check out what we can do with the Resolve USDT. I don't like indicators. This is our demand zone of the Revolve V USDT 1 day demand zone. From there a very good demand came, and now we can see that the market may be traveling from demand from supply started, and from there we may can see that from that supply, like see, this is the supply zone of the market, from where supply has started. This was the last attempt by the buyers to push the market up, and from there sellers are trying to throw the whole market down. So this is what, this is our supply zone, and this is the point where the demand started. This is red candle was the last effort made by sellers, and from there the whole market went up. So now from the supply zone, we can assume this one thing, that from the supply zone, market is traveling for the downward way, which is toward our demand zone. There are no fair value gaps over here. One hour demand zone. Drag this thing to, okay, exactly there. Now I don't need this. This is our demand zone. So we'll put it in a green color. The market falls from this position to this position. We get 5.49% of the market we can capture. If the market falls from this point to this point, 5.49% of market we can capture. But we have to check out this one thing, because as we are looking into the market, can we see this one thing? One second, where is drawing the brush? We can see the market is trying to consolidate at this point. So I want to see, I made this two line. This is a resistance line. This is a support line. And I want to see the same thing if again at the market over here takes a support or not. If the market takes support, I will go for an open long position, predicting the price will go up till what point? Till the resistance line point. Okay. From there, if the resistance starts falling, then again I will go to the support point as my target. This at the consolidation, you can play like this. You can play from support till resistance, one trade, from resistance to support, second trade. Like this, you can play with support and resistance. Okay. But for that, you need a confirmation that if the market is actually just traveling between those zones or not. And how to find out? Obviously by observation. We have to observe this thing till the support line. This is a support line. From there, if the market starts rejecting himself or not, if the market doesn't reject, then we will clarify that yes, the trend is continuing to be a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. This will continue. But for now, we have to observe. I'll write it over here. Demand zone. CAD. We'll see resolve VT for a little bit amount of time. We'll try to observe this. Once we get a entry point, I will enter for whatever situation I feel. If from support resist, if the from the support trend line, if it tries to go up, I will enter for the buy situation, which is open long. And from if it breaks this support trend line, then I will enter for the sell situation, which is called as open short in the future trading. Okay, and my target I will keep it to the demand zone. 5.449%, basically 5.5% of the market we can capture, but we have to have patience for that. It won't happen like this. Okay. In a meanwhile time, if you have any doubts, anything, please feel free to ask me on the comment section. And this looks like, see, whenever you see consolidation, always make sure that there might be CAD, a CAD situation. What do you understand by no, sorry, CMD situation can happen whenever you see a consolidation. CMD means what? C is for consolidation, M is for manipulation, and D is for distribution. It happens like market will consolidate, then a manipulation will come like a breakout. You will see manipulation will come for an uptrend, which is like maybe a breakout happened for up, market price will go that is basically a manipulation. Okay, after this the distribution will come, market will grab that liquidity and make it go downward. This is called as distribution. Consolidation, this part is manipulation, and the downward throw is distribution. Okay, so CMD situation can happen as well. Make sure to understand this. Whenever a consolidation happens, always make sure that there is a situation of CMD can happen. Consolidation, manipulation, and distribution. So whenever you see a consolidation is giving you a resistance breakout, do not enter in a rushful manner. Always make sure that if it's a manipulation situation or not. CMD, consolidation, manipulation, distribution. Let's see what can happen in the resolvability. Because you can clearly see the candles are very small candles, not the big candles. Entering with retailers, I don't feel good with entering with retailers, so we'll wait, we'll observe more, and we'll wait. Welcome user 802155. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. We are waiting for the live entry. We are waiting for the market to give us an entry so that we can enter and make this market. Welcome user 973085. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. Waiting for welcome user 970082. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. All the people, make sure do not forget to deposit on the live stream function so that you can achieve an option and opportunity to earn free USDT from my side. How to use zbit.com to trade? Very simple, brother. Very simple. See, you have two types of trades on zbit.com. One is a future trade, second is a spot trade. If you want to do a future trading, click on the future trade. It will take you to this panel. Okay. This is from here, you can pick whatever coin you want to pick, whatever coin you want to trade, you can pick from here. After that, if you want to take a trade, okay, you want to open a trade. Now, after asking question, you left. Then what's the point of me replying to your answer if you just left after asking? If you come back, I will explain you how to take a trade. See, same situation happened. This is the reason 11 बजे का विड्रॉल अभी तक नहीं आया. क्यों नहीं आया? ये विड्रॉल कोई बात नहीं, मैं मदद करता हूँ. मुझे पहले तो सबसे पहले ये चीज बताओ. आपका ये यूआईडी होगा ना, यूआईडी, ये यहाँ पे आईडी होंगी आपकी. ये आईडी कमेंट सेक्शन में पेस्ट करो. कितना विड्रॉल था, कितना मतलब आपने कितना यूएसडी का विड्रॉल किया है और क्या क्या चीजें हैं, कब किया है, वो सब चीजें भेजो. मैं अभी तुरंत मैं उधर भेजता हूँ. वो मेन ऑफिस में जाएगा, कस्टमर सर्विस के पास में. वो वेरीफाई करेंगे क्यों नहीं आया, क्या नहीं आया. 5 मिनट के अंदर एक तो आपका विड्रॉल में दिला दूंगा, या फिर 5 मिनट के अंदर मैं आपको एक रिजॉल्व दे दूंगा कि यार इसका कारण क्या था या जो भी है. ठीक है. सबसे पहले यूआईडी भेजो. ये यहाँ पे यूआईडी होता है. शेयर मी यूआईडी. user 747283, share me your UID, then I will help you. Okay, UID. कितना कितना था विड्रॉल अमाउंट? यू डिड इट लास्ट यस्टरडे सुबह 11 बजे या फिर रात का 11 बजे? ये भी कंफर्म बताओ कि कब का 11 बजे. 11 बजे का विड्रॉल अभी तक नहीं आया. 11 बजे वो सुबह वाला आज का 11 बजे या कल का 11 बजे? ये कंफर्म भी बताओ प्लीज. मैं आगे फॉरवर्ड करता हूँ ये चीजें. थोड़ा डिटेल में बताओ प्लीज. कितना था विड्रॉल, कहाँ था विड्रॉल? यूजर 747283, बताओ ना यार, कितना था विड्रॉल, क्या अमाउंट का विड्रॉल था, मॉर्निंग 11 बजे या फिर रात को 11 बजे, मैं उतना स्पेसिफिक इसमें लिख के आगे भेजूंगा। एंड आपका नाम भी बताओ, नाम क्या है, काम क्या है, शहर क्या है। 7600 आज, ओके। आपका नाम भी बता दो प्लीज, 747283, आपका नाम भी बता दो। 7062 INR। शुभम, ओके। ओके, शुभम, 7062 INR today, 11 a.m. did withdrawal but yet not received। मैंने आगे भेज दिया है आपकी प्रॉब्लम। 2 या 3 मिनट में वो मेरे को रिप्लाई करेंगे। आप लाइव स्ट्रीम में बने रहे उसके लिए प्लीज, मतलब रिस्पॉन्स जल्दी चाहिए तो लाइव स्ट्रीम बने रहे, क्योंकि ये सबसे पहले मुझे बताएंगे कि क्या प्रॉब्लम है, क्या है। एंड वो मैं आपको कन्वे कर सकता हूँ, तो थोड़ा लाइव स्ट्रीम में बने रहे। वो इन्होंने देखो रिप्लाई भी कर दिया है, लेट मी चेक करके, वो चेक कर रहे हैं लाइव स्ट्रीम पे। तो जैसे ही थोड़ा 5-10 मिनट बने रहो, 5 मिनट मैक्सिमम, 5 मिनट बता देंगे, अभी तुरंत ही बता देंगे। लेट मी चेक बोल दिया है, उन्होंने रिप्लाई भी कर दिया, लेट मी चेक भी बोल दिया है। लेट्स वेट फॉर जस्ट 5 मिनट, फिर आपको बता देंगे कि क्या है, क्या इश्यू है। हाँ, तब तक हमारा लाइव ट्रेड क्या कह रहा है। हमारा लाइव ट्रेड में रिजेक्शन हो रहा है, बट वो रिजेक्शन कंटिन्यू नहीं हो रहा है। स्टिल हम वेट करेंगे जब तक वो सपोर्ट ट्रेंड लाइन पे नहीं आता, तब तक हमें वेट करना है, मतलब है। ऐसे ही इससे ट्रेडिंग की जाती है, मतलब डिसिप्लिन से। ऐसा नहीं कि मतलब मार्केट कहीं पे भी हो, हमने कहीं पे भी ट्रेड लिया, नहीं। जोन देखना पड़ता है, ट्रेंड लाइन सपोर्ट देखनी पड़ती है। हम ट्रेंड लाइन सपोर्ट का वेट कर रहे हैं, ये हमारी ट्रेंड लाइन सपोर्ट लाइन है, जहां से लास्ट टाइम मार्केट ने सपोर्ट लिया था। अभी अगर मैं यहाँ से शॉर्ट का ट्रेड लेता हूँ, क्योंकि डिमांड जोन के पास मार्केट है, और पूरी मार्केट जैसा अगर मैं देख पा रहा हूँ, तो ये पूरी मार्केट गिर रही गिर रही गिर रही गिर रही गिर रही। अब ये गिर रही है, इसलिए मैं यहाँ से ही शॉर्ट का ट्रेड नहीं ले लूंगा, क्योंकि अगर गिर रही है तो मैं ले लेता हूँ। क्या पता वापस से सपोर्ट लाइन पे आके इसने वापस एक ऐसा ऊपर ले लिया तो। इसलिए ये सारी चीजें देखनी होती है, तभी जाके हम ट्रेड लेंगे। हम वेट कर रहे हैं इस चीज का कि ये ट्रेंड लाइन तोड़ दे हमारा। अगर ये तोड़ेगा तो मैं नीचे डिमांड तक का ट्रेड लूंगा, 5.49%, 5% मार्केट का हम गेन करेंगे। उन्होंने रिप्लाई कर दिया, रिप्लाई कर दिया, रिप्लाई कर दिया। नहीं, उसने वापस दे लिया मैसेज। रुक जाओ, 2 मिनट, 2 मिनट। वो एक कंफर्मेशन मांग रहे हैं आपसे, शुभम। आपने लाइव स्ट्रीम पे लिखा हुआ है 7062, मतलब 7062 रुपए INR का। पर वो कंफर्मेशन पूछ रहे हैं आपसे कि आपने 7062 का INR का विड्रॉल लिया है या फिर 7300 का। ये कंफर्मेशन पूछ रहे हैं वो। आपने 7062 का है, 7062 और 7300, ये कंफर्मेशन पूछ रहे हैं आपसे। कितना अमाउंट विड्रॉ किया है आपने, 7062 या फिर 7300? प्लीज थोड़ा जल्दी बता दो, तो मैं उनको फिर आगे वैसा फॉरवर्ड करता हूँ। शुभम जी प्लीज कंफर्म बताइए 7062 या फिर 7300? See, the green candle started forming. Reverse. That's why 7060. Okay. 762. He says 7062. ओके, हम फिर से 2 मिनट वेट करेंगे उसका रिप्लाई आने का, फिर मैं बता दूंगा. Welcome user 582556. Welcome to the live stream. We are waiting for our live trade. I'm waiting for the support trend line to be hit, and then we can go for, let's decide, like if we get rejection from the support trend line for upside, we'll go for open long. If it gets a breakout, then we go for open short. Simple. रिप्लाई आया नहीं, आने का है, आने का है, आने का है, आने का है. शिवम भैया, शिवम भैया आने का है. शिवम भैया थोड़ा देर रुक जाओ. शिवम भैया चेक कर रहे हो, आएगा रिप्लाई जरूर बताऊंगा. मैं कहाँ भाग के जा रहा हूँ यार, मैं तो यही हूँ. आने का है रिप्लाई, आ जाएगा रिप्लाई. Welcome user 337391. Welcome on the live stream of leaveit.com. See, the candle is coming back again and again to its opening price. If you can see that it is traveling again and again to its opening price zone. Market open. If I click at this, you can see over here. See, open, high, low, close. Okay. If I click on that candle, market open at what? 0.08134. Again and again, market is coming back to that point. That means rejection is coming. Rejection is coming. So we have to have patience. If it will hit the support trend line, and from there, if we get rejection, we go for open. If no, then we go open short. Very simple. Right now, we have to observe our market. See, again, it's traveling back to its opening position. You can see the rejection from the down, traveling back to open position. Two time it actually also became the green candle. So seller's strength is getting loose. Big candle, then little small, then more small. Now this will be the most smallest candle because it is gonna get closed in next 12 minutes. We have to wait for the next 12 minutes. That candle will get closed in the 12 minutes. If it's more smaller than the previous one, then yes, for definitely sure, seller strength is going small, which will result in the trend change. Maybe why there is so many times I have to delete these indicators. I don't want indicators. Let me see RSI what if we are having any divergence. Not that big of a divergence, but yes, there is very small divergence, very small, not a big one. If you see over here, let me draw it. Can I draw arrow? Okay. From this point to this point, if I draw it, is slightly above, very slight above, very slight above, like very slight. It's not that slight, very, very slight. I'm saying. Oh, what? Very slight, okay. And from the here, you can clearly see that same movement. If we capture over here, arrow, that top to this top is facing downwards. Can you see? One is facing downwards, the price is facing downwards, and this strength, RSI indicates strength in the market, is not up, but very slight up, very slight up. There is a diversion. No reply till now. Other than waiting, we don't have any other options. Okay. So if you want to clear some of your doubts, if you want to ask some of the question, Please ask, because other than waiting for this trade, you can see clearly see it became now green, which is generating a sense that it can have a rejection as well. So other than waiting for a confirmation of a trade, we cannot enter for trade. So please, if you have any doubt, anything, ask, clear the doubts till the time I can explain you some concepts if you want to learn. But live trade will have confusion. I have put myself condition, strict condition. Either it touch here, cross, I will open long. Breakout, I will open short. This is the rejection line. You can consider it as a support line as well. But yeah, rejection line also you can consider. Welcome user 949945197. Welcome to the live stream. I'm waiting for my live trade. I'm waiting for it. In next 7 minutes, this candle will get closed and new candle will start. I want to observe what will happen with this candle. Will it touch my support line or not? I want to observe that. Welcome user 127862. Welcome on the live stream. Thanks so much for being a live stream at zibit.com. I am doing the challenge, which you can see it's a day 6. I already explained you what happened yesterday, what kind of trade we did, what kind of profit we earned, and blah blah blah. Everything I've told you already. Today we are trying to go for another trade, but for that, which we have to wait. Either I will capture this market from this breakout to this 5.5% of the market will capture. Either it can be one scenario of this, or if it takes a support like this, can you see a trend line support line from here market came and went up, or we can take that situation and we can earn up to same amount 5.5% from both sides. Now we just have to decide, either we are predicting the price will go up if it takes us resistance, if we take a support from the trend line and goes up, we'll open long, capturing 5.5% of the market. If it breaks out, if it gives me a breakout of the support line, then we'll capture the market of short. We'll predict the price is going to fall down. Right now it is in middle of somewhere, so middle of somewhere should not be entered. We will wait. Wait, Shivam, I'll ask them again. They haven't responded, but I will ask. Reply. When can you give me response? Okay. I've texted them. I've asked them again for the reply. I've asked them again. It might be a very serious thing which is happening with your thing. Maybe. I'm not giving you any fear. I'm not giving anything. I'm just saying we are working on it. Kindly wait for a moment. See, that's what they are replying to me. We are working on it. Kindly wait for a moment. What else I can say? Shivam to you. Shall I take this camera and show that guy to you? Like, this is that guy, he's working on it. Obviously, he's working. Just have a little patience. It will come. It will come. We don't steal money, okay? We don't steal money. We will give your money back to you in whatever way possible. We will provide your money back to you. Trust me on that, okay? We will provide your money. Don't be impatient. You see, we are working on it. Kindly wait for a moment. He said to me, wait for a little. Little. We can observe our market till that point. Why? And if you want some of the trading tips, ask. I'm here to provide you. Till that time, we can pass this times by providing, exchanging some knowledge regarding trading. Or you can tell me regarding like what kind of trade you do. Do you do spot? Do you do future? What kind of profit have you earned till now point from the ZBIT that you are withdrawing 7,062? What is 7,062? Is it like 7 USDT? Yeah, you're withdrawing almost 7 USDT something like 7,062 is almost something around 7 USDT or something. No, 70. 770. 70, I guess. $1 is somewhere around 80 rupees. Yeah, 70 USDT you're withdrawing. Nice. Where did you earn this much profit from? Shubham. How much profit are you earning from market? 70 USDT you are withdrawing. See, the rejection, the green candle, if it ends up in just less than 1 minute, this candle is going to close. Less than 1 minute. So Shubham, please tell us from where have you earned this profit of 7,062 INR, which is approximately your 70 USDT, I guess, 70, 60 something USDT. How? From where? Which coin you traded? Did you did spot? Did you did future trading? What kind of trading did you did to earn 70 USDT profit? Share your success story, Shubham. In a meanwhile time, they'll respond. See, it closed at a hammer candle. Same, like I said to you, it closed. This candle closed and made a hammer candle over here. Okay. They replied. Shivam, replies here, replies here, replies here, replies here. They responded, but the respond also comes with a waiting thing as well. They gave a little clarification that the supplier is checking, the one who is supplying everything. We are checking. Done at the radius. I think done. He's saying done. That means you have received it, I guess. Can you check? They are saying done at the rate. Yes, done. I guess you have received it. Shivam, can you check if you have received it for me? Go and check your withdrawal if it is done or not. Because from here they are saying done, it is received. Please go and check your balance if it is received or not. Shubham, go check your money if it's there in your account or not. If it's there, tell me it is there. That means the work is done. Shubham, please go and check if you have received it or not. Because from here they said this. Received, sir. Thanks. Let's go, Shivam. But show you never said how you received that 70 USDT. From where you earned that 70 USDT. You never said, Shivam. Please tell me. Okay, so right now situation, what is happening? We saw hammer candle. I have said to you, hammer candle is what? Hammer candle is a reject. No, this is inverted hammer candle, normal hammer candle. This is what we see at the trend when the market is falling down. We saw same hammer candle forming at this point. Can you see the market is falling down from here? We saw hammer candle. Hammer candle results in what? Market going up. But, but, did it touch the support trend line till now point? No. So can we say that this is a 100% market is gonna go up? No. Until the point it takes a support from the support trend, I won't be confirmed that it is 100% market is gonna go up. Even though I saw the hammer candle over here, still I won't be confirmed to go for uptrend because this support line has not been triggered. The movement can become, see, I go for the uptrend from here. Okay, like market is gonna go in the high price. From there I am gonna go for an uptrend, and the next moment what is gonna happen, market can fall down to the support line and then can go up. Can you see? Okay, right now see, can you see market is coming red, red, red? I will delete those situations so that you can understand. See, delete, 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 delete. See, same situation is forming. I told you just by formation of an hammer candle over here, which is not an exactly hammer candle. It's a dragonfly candle. Just by formation of a dragonfly candle over here, the market never reversed. See, again, it's trying to go down because this is the zone of its rejection, not the candle. So even if you see a candle forming, a bullish candle forming, but it has not touched the zone till now, never trust that candle. Okay, we have to always be patient for it to receive, to come to the specific zone only. Even after creating an dragonfly candle, it is still going down to get collected, to be tapped into the support trend line. This is our support trend. Can you see this candle took a support exactly from this trend line? I am observing the same thing over here, that it should take support from this point itself. Now people will question why you are not taking a short entry from this point to the support point. Bro, this is very small thing to capture. Okay, plus that thing, and why I want to capture just a small amount. Why can't I have a patience to get it tap into the support trend line, and then I will take the real trade. Let's be patient. We'll get the entry point. Entry point will come from here itself, either for up or for the down. I will tap it over this to this one scenario, and this to this another scenario. Okay, this is a long scenario, this is a short scenario. That will, I will do it after what market gives me. Market tap same like this support, I will go for long position till here. If market breaks out, I will go for short position till the demand zone. Okay, till the demand zone I will go. Whether to open long, whether to open short will depend on this trend line. 28 USDT I have. Today I'm thinking about taking 30x leverage. Yesterday I took 24x leverage. Today I'm thinking of taking 30x leverage. And that with 100%. I never trade with a small amount like 20% of my USDT. 30. Now always 100. Risk everything altogether. La, 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 Please feel free to ask me anything. Okay, I'm giving you option because other than waiting, I cannot do anything else. I have to wait for the market to give me entry for both situation, whatever situation will come. Either this trend line breaks or jumps from that, I will take it. But till that time, ask ask questions, whatever you feel like asking, whatever you want to ask. Learn trading from me. Don't lose your opportunity of not learning from mine. Learn. run run करे जाती है. How much? How much? How much is this to this? 0.95. Almost like almost 1%. Almost 1%. Almost 1%. 0.9 is that movement which should be done. And this is the reason why I hate retailers. Retailers, us, we make very less investment in the market. Very less investment in the market. That's the reason we create very small candles in the market. They never open with a big trade, like they don't have big heart to invest 10,000, 20,000, 30,000. What I can say. Welcome users 722356. Welcome on the live stream. We are trying to enter in resolve BUSDT with everything we got. I started my journey with 10 USDT. Okay, today is 28. I'm telling you this because you can also earn amount. Let's see a book map of resolve. This book map, book map, book map. Book map. Where is book map? Show me book. I don't want to start for free and blah blah. I don't want to download it. Just show me book map. Download. Let's download. I have to do sign up and all. Download later. Show me some free website, free website where I can see. I don't want you to see. For PTC, let's search this. I can bookmark badge. Okay, in here I have to search resolve. They don't have resolve bookmap over here. Shame. Anybody. ये last minute download हो लिया. Let's download it then. Let's download bookmap. It's helpful. It's very useful thing. Bookmap is very useful. Signed in. I want production. I want for Windows. Go download. Welcome to the bookmap. Not now. Is it download? Yes. मैं क्या हूँ क्या हूँ बताना. Welcome user 940443. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for joining this live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. We are waiting for our entry at Resolve USDT. I will take a trade in Resolve USDT, but I have to wait for that moment to come. And download. Next. I agree. Next. Okay, we are installing bookmap. Bookmap is getting installed. In a quite more small time, we'll try to figure out bookmap as well. Welcome user 878345. Welcome on the live stream. Okay, it is done. Finish. Here is book map for all of you people. Login with browser. I don't have a login with browser. Okay. This is book map. Okay. People, this is book map. Why it is this is not a web page, but this is an app. Okay, this is a complete app application. This is what book map looks like, guys. Book map is basically, it does not track your things. Like, let's see some different points. Chart size, market accumulation, large trade alert, large lot tracker. We want order book. Now this not support. Okay. Large, we cannot track large lot tracker because it is for upgrade version only. Candlesticks we can see in the large trade. Yes. Minimum trade time apply. Okay. Okay. Close. Yeah. Select for the exchange. Display. I don't want BTC. BTC. I don't want BTC. Bitcoin futures. Why I cannot see different different. I have to make this whole thing. We'll do it later. We'll do it later. We'll do all those things later. No issues. For now, and I have to do a complete setup of that book map. We'll do it later. The setup of the complete book map. What we gonna do with this market? What are we gonna do with this market if the market doesn't even move a little bit, like stay so close to its opening price range, not giving any momentum to trade? Then what shall we do? What shall we do? I have to give you proper analysis as well. Okay, so anything happens like that in your trade, then go for those kind of trades. Now it's hard to pump up, the green thing comes, then again in 2 minutes it will come down and become a red thing. Within 5 minutes, okay, in less than 5 minutes, that green will become a red. In less than 5 minutes from now, it is 125. By 130 again, this candle will look like a red candle again. That's what us we do. That's what retailers are doing. Their investment is very less. I had to build suggest retailers go with sell your bank account, sell your house, sell your property, invest in the crypto market, and give me a moment to capture 5%. I would request all the people to sell their houses and invest huge amount in the soul for buy or for sell, whatever you decide. You don't even tell me what you are doing. Okay, just do something big, and then I'll grab opportunity to go for buy and go for sell. United Arab Emirates, UAE. I wish I was Emirati or something. Like they have cool powers. They don't even have like benefits. They have powers, cool powers they have. Compared to other countries, people they are super powerful. Their passport is the most strongest password. Their like for example, I'm just saying like for them 1 dirham is 1 rupee like us. But for us, 1 dirham is 24. Things change over there. Like, I wish I was Emirati. I had superpowers, bro. Powers over anybody. I'm a local. You, I'm local. Like that, I have powers. Free property, free electricity, free water, free business, free whatever, free. They have free power, free anything free. They have that power, free. Plus, they are considered as a top notch qualities. That's what they consider. Salary good, everything. Emirati. Being Emirati is fun. Being Emirati is very fun. Deposits are happening. That's good thing. Do a deposit, do a good deposit. But why don't you do a deposit from the live stream? Live stream has a deposit function you can use. It's the same. It's not a different. Okay, that deposit on the home page is something different. Live stream is something different. No, this deposit is not like not going in my account. Okay, I wish it would, but it is not. It is the same deposit which you do in the homepage, but rather than doing on homepage, you can do it while watching live stream as well. See, just 1 minute is left for 1:30, and I told you by 1:30 that candle will become red color candle. Okay, let's see. 1 minute. See, it is 1:30. You can see my time. It is 1:30 is the time. Can you see my time? Can you see 1:30? I'm not lying. I'm not denying. This is 1:30 right now. And you can see the candle has turned red. What I told you, my analysts are the best, like the perfect ones. 1:30, I told you that candle will turn red exactly by 1:30. And it did. I don't have like a turn on, turn off switch. Okay. Like I am not turning it. I know for a fact that it will happen. By 1:30, you can clearly see the time. 1:30. I said by 1:25, within the 5 minutes, that green candle is gonna turn a red color candle. It is 1:30 and that candle turned red. Like I said, damn, I felt like God for 1 minute. But it happened exactly the way I said. I'm happy. I'm happy because it happened exactly the way, and that too by specific timings. Okay, I really felt like I didn't got powers. I didn't got powers. Didn't got powers till now. When we will get entry? Today, tomorrow. This is Sunday's market, by the way. When it happens, okay. This is not like today is a special day which is happening. No, Sunday mostly we will see such kind of market where there is no momentum, where you cannot enter, because Sundays mostly just retailers are the one who is trading. Those big corporate people, they enjoy their weekend. Okay, Saturday, Sunday is for like their enjoyment. They don't take trades in those hours. So you can see the Sunday is because of that. It's Sunday, less momentum, very less momentum in the market. Again, it became a red color candle. Again. Open long. If takes support, and open short if it This is a breakout entry. This is a support entry. Open long, support entry, breakout entry. Welcome user 196643. Welcome on the live stream of zbit.com. Thank you so much for joining this live. Thank you so much for being a part of it. Do not forget to do a deposit in the live stream because you have an opportunity to earn free USDT from my side if you deposit more than 3 times in my 5 live stream days. Okay, my 5 live stream days, if you deposit more than 3 times, I will help you achieve a good amount of profit. Welcome user 177292. Welcome to the live stream. If you guys have any doubt, anything related to the market, please feel free to ask me. I will do it. Even if you want to do and market analysis of some different coin, please ask me that as well. I will do that as well. Welcome, Lokesh, on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. Welcome, user 51459119. 514519. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. You guys have any doubt, anything related to the crypto market, please feel free to tell me regarding these doubts. I will solve your this doubts. Okay, I will solve your doubts. Just feel free to ask. See, this will be the like buyer's last efforts. This 2 to 3 candle, or maybe the next candle of it, it will be the last efforts of the buyers. From there, we will see a downfall. That's what I think. Like it will be like a like buyer's effort. Like what kind of effort a buyers can make from these things. This will be the last things. Okay. But I've already given you conditions as well to enter. Open long if it takes support from the support trend line, go for long. If it gives you a breakout from the support trend line, go for short. Zero point zero eight zero three two. 0.08032. Let's see if we enter at entry price is 0.08032. Target price is 0.075. 0.07587. That's the target price. I don't know what the size. Can you convert it into resolvability price? With 30x of leverage, with 28, how much I can buy? How much I can hold? Let's ask chat what kind of size we can hold. Resolve USDT if I buy at 0.08032 price with amount of 28 USDT with 30x of leverage. How much coin will I have? Let's see. I will be having 10,458 coins. 0.7, but let's leave 0.7. I will be having a size of 10,458 coins of resolvability if I entered with 30x of this with my price. Like I have 28 USDT. Okay, if with that 30x of leverage, 10,458, calculate. Open short. Sorry. We are opening short. I didn't saw. Open short at 0.08032. No, 80. 8032. Target price is 0.07587. It was 10,400 and something. What was it? 10,459. 59. Okay. This is our base. Calculate 166 166.21%. PNL will be almost. I see. You can see my margin balance I require is 28, which I have in my account. And once my target is hit, that demand zone is hit, I will be having 46 USDT profit. 46 USDT profit. ROI, you can see the ROI is 166.21 if we take a short. But let's say we take a buy. Let's say if the short will have a profit of entry price, I told you 0.0 something 0.08032 is the entry price. Target will be the demand zone tip, and size will be this, because I am having 28 USDT into, I will do 30x of leverage, which will give me 10,459 resolve coins, and I will have profit of 46 USDT from that. Okay, if you want to calculate for you okay, it will be open long. Entry price is what? Entry price is 0.088032, and target price is the tip of this resistance, which is 0.08480. 0.08480. Resolve will be 10,409. Calculate. Same 46, same, because they both are the same percentage. 5.5 percentage above, 5.5 percentage below. Do not forget that we have Zbit has a feature of calculator already. We can calculate everything from the Zbit calculator. The target price, liquidation price, profit and loss, everything we can calculate in the Zbit itself. Don't just look at this thing. This thing can come down any moment it can come down to the support line. Okay, any moment. Don't just go like, oh my god, is rising, I have to enter in the market. This is where people go wrong for entering randomly in the market. Do not enter randomly in the market. Always enter with your entry points. Mhm. See, again it started coming down, and that is what is going to happen even if we have a little small amount of. That's what I'm saying. This is a last effort of buyers. Buyers are putting efforts in going for a buy situation, investing their money, but it is not happening. It's not happening. In 2 to 3 minutes I'll be leaving this live stream. I've given you conditions as well, because I will be looking at those conditions. I will take a trade after my live stream as well. Okay, If I didn't got a if I didn't got the trade entry point in this 4 hour, doesn't mean that I am not taking trade outside. I will be taking trade outside. Okay, if I get those points. Cool. So thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for this live stream. I'll be leaving this live stream. I'll see you guys tomorrow, same timing, which is 10 to 2. And bye. If you have anything, please feel free to ask me on the comment section. Okay.